Did it work? Are we live? Since we are. Hi everyone, welcome to a live stream. It's been a really long time since we've done one of these. How are you guys all doing? Hopefully you guys are all doing well. I am very, very excited. And so let's just wait a minute for everyone to settle in. And so today we're going to be working on artifacts and also adding the glow lantern and then whatever else we need to add. 2.0 comes out really soon, so it's like the final stretch. Hold on, I had lost my AirPod while I was setting everything up, and it fell, so. Staying awake from 3 to see. Oh wow, that's pretty late. Okay. Woo, let's get started. So, I guess I want to show you this first. I'm working on the cartoonist minigame, and it is going pretty cool. So watch this. So, there isn't really a way to do this yet, but I can if I press here, I can see if I clear the maze, it can generate all of these random mazes. So hold on, let's make the first change in today. I'm going to make it so that I can disable the mesh. Well, that's actually gonna be kind of a hard change. Will it? It'll be fast. Trust. I'll show you. It'll be fast. So I'm being really deliberate to make sure I'm not gonna spoil anything because I have a tendency to do that on live streams. And then I know you guys watch them and stuff. So let's see. We're looking for cartoonist maze generator, and then I'm gonna add a new boolean right around here under seed. We're gonna call it public pool. I'm blanking. Generate mesh. We're going to set it to true because we do want to generate mesh primarily. So then what I need to do is all of these different structures that get generated right here. So we say if generate mesh, then we run that. And I can actually just search for these as we go through. Oh, you know what? This will be a lot easier. I was trying to figure out my window orientation so that I could have everything fit. And I have a lot of monitors, but still I was not able to make everything fit. But I forgot, I usually hook up my phone and then I can watch the chat through my phone so that I know what you guys are saying. Here we go, okay. Can you adopt a small cartoonist in 2.0? Maybe. You can adopt a baby. Yes, this maze is completely randomly generated. Anyway, so generate mesh. I'm just gonna have all of this be in these nice if statements, just because I want to show you what it looks like. And I wanted to do this last night, but I was lazy, so let me just do this real fast. I probably should have done this beforehand, but you know what? Too late for that now. Generate mesh, generated like that. Alright, there's a lot of them apparently. Maybe I should have a better. What did it just import? No! Why'd you break everything? Get rid of you. Using system for Unity projects is the devil. Never do it. I forgot what I was gonna say. Generate mesh. There we go. Okay. Oh, you know what? I could just copy and paste this. That would be a lot easier, huh? Than trying to type it every single time and getting it wrong every single time. Okay, that should be all of it. Okay, cool. So now if we put this back, it's pretty quiet. Okay, let me turn that up. Is that better? Can you hear that better? I also was kind of looking away from the microphone, which I shouldn't be doing. Is that better? Hello, welcome everyone. Okay, I think that's better. So, okay, now if I turn off disable generate mesh, there we go, perfect. So, this is what it looks like from the top-down perspective. So here's where we have our starting room, and then here's where we have the cave that leads to the first room, and then these are all the different rooms. So the way that this minigame works is each room has a puzzle, and you have to solve one puzzle to get to the next room. Does that make sense? So, and it's completely procedurally generated. And this one is a really good maze. I really like this one. This one's a really good maze too. The seed is right here if you want to snatch it. I can't promise it'll work on the release, but you know, it might. So, that's a good maze too. That's a really good maze actually. That's a really good one too. Whoa, this one's great. I'm gonna send this into my Patreon server because I'm gonna save that for later. These are all really good mazes actually. So then I can generate the mesh and then I'll turn off the overlay and then you can see what that looks like. And it's very bare bones right now, but I just got it working last night. I don't have the rooms actually generating yet, and I don't have the hallways like fully generating yet. You know what I mean? So yeah. Do you guys want to see what it looks like in game? It's not gonna be that interesting, I really promise. But I don't know. Maybe someone will like it. I shall wait and see. I have the stream set to like medium latency, so that I still have time to like stop the stream if like something happens. Like I accidentally reveal like Lucy's secret intentions. But then I also have enough time to like interact with the chat. At least I hope so. So if I just kind of awkwardly pause like that, I'm just waiting for the chat to respond. And it seems like they're not yet. So I don't know what. Oh well, I'll just show you, I guess. No one. Okay, so let's test this works. Hey, this still works. Make sure there's no spoilers here. Yeah, okay, there's no spoilers here. I haven't done this in a really long time. Will there be a snow area in later acts of Venge? A snow area would be really, really cool. I would love that. All right, here we are. So, I mean, as promised, it's extremely boring. And actually, this particular maze is impossible. Because if you notice, some of the mazes, they don't connect. These little hallways on the side don't actually connect to the main maze. And that's what the cave is for. But, you know, for our testing purposes, I haven't done the cave. I'm going to have to do like a marching cube sort of thing. Are you using PlayFab for the dedicated server? No. Oh, for the Venge server? You know, for the Venge server is using node.javascript. Anyway, so yeah, pretty cool. But this is not the focus of the live stream. It's probably really boring. Let's do something else. Let's get started on the artifacts. So, artifacts are like seriously top secret because I really don't want, I want you guys to have something to look at. You know what I mean? OST is on SoundCloud. It should be. Let me double check real fast. Let me open up my thing and open up the website. Make sure you can't see that. Okay, good. Let me double check if it's on SoundCloud. So we're gonna be working on the new pause menu. Yeah, no, the new pause menu is amazing. It's so cool. You guys are gonna see it. It's very smart and it does a lot of really cool stuff. Okay, let me see what SoundCloud's icon. That one? I don't see a cloud icon. You know what? You can search for it, and if it's not there, I'm so sorry, but we got things to do. Any tips on making music and getting VSTs? A lot of the VSTs I get are just free because I don't have a lot of money, but it's all about how you use them, I think. So for me making music, I just kind of do whatever I want. I don't have like I've never taken like a music theory class, and really I don't know what I'm doing half the time, but I just kind of mess around and see what sounds good and then see how it goes. Anyway, so artifacts, right? Artifacts are top secret because I really don't want anything getting leaked, right? So, because I want you guys to find it, you know what I mean? I want you guys to be able to find it, and if I reveal it where everything is, then that's no fun. So, because we're working on artifacts, I have to censor a lot of stuff, because knowing me, I will accidentally leak it, and I'm checking every inch of my screen right now to make sure I'm not accidentally leaking something, but, you know, we should be good. So, I'm showing the FX plushie because I already showed it in the video that came out yesterday, or 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. So here's the ugly FX plushie. The reason that it's called the ugly FX plushie is because I did a bad job modeling it and I didn't want to fix it. So I was like, you know what? It's ugly on purpose. Anyway, so the thing that we will be working on today, the first artifact that we're going to be adding as like a Patreon artifact, or not Patreon, as a live stream artifact, is something called Pez Lucy. So for context, let me see if I can find a picture. One of my Patreons, they're so amazing. Let me see if I can find where they sent it. I have that image, but I want to find the original one. So one of the Patreons, I don't know if they want me to shout them out or like reveal their identity. Hopefully they're watching this so that they can confirm if they want to. But it's kind of, the Pez Lucy has just turned into like a big meme in the Patreon server. So let me see if I can find the original picture. Again, this is stuff that I should have done ahead of time, but I didn't. So this is probably so boring. I'm so sorry. Ah, wait, what? Discord? Oh, you can't do this if you're in streamer mode. What in the world? Disable it. Okay. So, from the Pez Lucy person has image Yeah, there we go. I should be able to find it from here. There's... Okay, here we go. Here, now we're getting into the pictures of it. Oh!
Attention all live stream viewers. Jones has donated $2.99 through Super Chat. Thank you. They said, morning from my side T. How's your stream so far?
Thank you. So that's actually a perfect time to show the new super chat system. So if you send a super chat, the AES system will say it out loud. Thank you so much for the super chat. You're one of the Patreons, I think, or I think, yeah. Xeons, I think that's how you pronounce it. Thank you so much. The stream is going so good so far. I mean, at least I hope so. I am just trying to look for a specific image. Okay, you know what? I think I am getting close. Here we go. Here we go. I got it. Okay. So this is what Pez Lucy is all about right here. Ah, it's playing my voice. But yeah. So here's Pez Lucy, and it's kind of just turned into a big meme in the Patreon server. So we're gonna be adding it. So let's get started. So first things first. I mean, I can't exactly use the name because it's like trademarked or something. So I'm gonna call it the Candy Dispenser Lucy. Hopefully that'll be acceptable. But from the looks of it, and I kind of have to be a little bit unique with the design. It's like a candy dispenser, yeah. So it's gonna be an artifact in Act 0. So, oh gosh, now I have to model Lucy's face. I didn't think about this part beforehand. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm really bad at modeling Lucy. It took forever to get it right. You know what? We are just going to be lazy and use my Lucy mascot object here. We're gonna put it up here like so. We'll make it thicker. All right, already off to a great start. And then oh, can I not do that? Blender, come on now. I have to select all these edges manually. So then I'm just gonna I'm gonna try this. This might not look good. We shall see. But in the meantime, you thought this was going to be an interactive thing, like an interactive live stream. It should be. Am I not being interactive enough? You know, this looks terrible. This looks absolutely terrible. But you know what? It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So, you can support. Oh, don't worry. If you can't afford the Patreon, that's completely fine. I totally understand it. A lot of cool stuff happens there, but you know, it's totally cool. All of the stuff that happens there will eventually be public, because you know, like a 2.0 is gonna come out eventually. But I totally get it. No worries at all. Oh no. Okay. This is looking really terrible. I can't check DMs right now because I am on a live stream, but I can do it later. Do you guys see the image? Do you guys see the vibe? You know what I mean? Do you see the vibe? Do you see what I'm going for? I'm gonna keep going with this because I really don't want to change this because I would rather not. Okay, let me make it a little higher maybe. I kind of actually like the idea of it just being like a really cheap toy. So then like this would be like the mouth and it would like open up like that and then the candy would come out. I should look at what they actually look like before I start modeling because I feel like that'll really help me a lot. Oh, right. Okay. I am completely being delusional. That's not how they work. They like open up like this. They're like on the hinge and then they go like that. Right. Okay, that's how it's supposed to work. I wish I could put my phone up higher, but my phone is too tall. Oh, so there's only okay, for context, Rotnik does not, so like Cartoonist, Pinter, Lazarette, they were never cartoon characters. Only Effix and Lucy are cartoon characters. And there's like a lot of reasons for that, but that's what that means, if that makes any sense. Okay. See, I don't know, I just like don't like this very much. I feel like I'm kind of flopping. Ah! Didn't mean to do that, sorry. I I feel like so many people are probably, this is like probably their first time on a live stream for me, and I'm like flopping super hard. So I sincerely apologize for that. Well, it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look terrible, you know what I mean? Right? Me just waiting for confirmation in the chat so that I can like feel good about being really lazy. All right. Let's see what they're. I think people are talking to me in the Patreon server. Try using. Oh, that's such a genius idea. Okay, the person who made. Oh, also, keep them secret. Okay, they don't want to be revealed. The person who made the Pez made a really, really good idea. So Act 2 has this thing called the Buddy flashlight, which is the flashlight of Act 2. Look at that. Look at that. Props to you. Holy crap, you just saved me so much embarrassment and so much criticism and so much public humiliation. I applaud you for that. Thank you so much. Look, it's perfect. It's literally perfect. I'm like done. There we go. Oh gosh. Ooh. Stupid. Okay. There we go. Look at how perfect that is. That's brilliant. Okay, wonderful. So, crisis averted. Crisis averted. So, what if I then made the mouth like open up like this, and then it just like lifts it up? I mean, it doesn't have to actually lift up in the game, because I am lazy. No, just kidding. It would be like there'd be no point for it to lift up because it's not like it could be animated. But let's see. So I'll just kind of squish that back there. Boom. I mean, it's just a little flat off to the sides, but nothing a good layer of sculpting can't fix. Maybe like get like the smooth brush and like, ooh, maybe not. Ooh, maybe not. No, let's not do that. That did not look good. You know what? It's fine. She just has a bony head, and you know what? That's okay. Sometimes it's okay to have that sort of thing. No judgment here. So, oh, you know, I could also just do that. Perfect. There we go. Okay, that works. She shoots sweets out of her mouth. Oh, okay, perfect. So maybe I'll have a little compartment where the sweets would be shot out of. I'm like spoiling the magic for you right here. The mouth is just like a little plain thing like this. And we'll have a little thing like so. Oh, my local city just announced new Broadway shows. How exciting. I will definitely be checking those out in a bit. But not right now, we're live streaming. Okay, yeah, I like that. So then we'll go from there. So we'll just shove that back in there. Cool. Oh no, what happened? Why did it break? Ah, stop, Blender. No. You know what, we'll just do it via texture. It'll be fine. Yeah, we'll just paint a texture onto here. Okay, so now we get into a tricky dilemma. So I can't exactly open up the Photoshop file for the texture because it'll spoil some inspectables or some artifacts. So I have to distract you guys somehow whilst because, okay, for context, this is the texture for the buddy light right here, and it's not the same texture as the artifacts set. And that's a problem because then that means that every time the game loads, it's going to use more resources than it needs to. So we need to get this texture in the exact same file, which I can do pretty easily. But that just means that, oh, you know what I can do? I'm just totally overcomplicating this, as always. Let me just start painting this piece, and then I will go from there. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Okay, so then we'll just go here and add the artifact set texture. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like, oh no, we're good. Never mind, false alarm. So let's just start painting this. So we should be good to start. Hopefully it won't ruin one of my other textures that I have in here. But if I just paint this like green, yeah, no, it's ruining it. It's fine, it's whatever. Here we go, it'll be fine. It's only like a tiny pixel. No, it's gonna bother me so much. It'll be fine. Okay, so here we go. We painted the green, and then it would be nice to add like a little bit of shadow right here. Ooh, can you tell I did a horrible job on UV unwrapping this thing? Let's do a better job, shall we? Let's put in the effort. I think you accidentally saw something, so don't rewind the stream and look back at what you just saw. There we go. Actually, I'll put it up here because this one is a little bit easier to deal with. At least I think so. Okay. What flavor of candy do you think Lucy would dispense? I imagine she would dispense like green apple candy. I'm doing good. How are you? Nice to see you, Stala Games. They are a frequent person in the main server. Which, if you're not in the Discord server, link right here. Yeah, right there. Link right there. Join the Discord server. It's a lot of fun. That's where you'll get like you'll like literally get like notifications every time I do something, so you don't have to like sit at your phone stressing about my upload schedule. I don't know if anyone does that, but if you do, join the Discord server so then you don't have to worry about that. So just painting like this. Although that's way too green, so then I'm gonna have to go back and make it more loose. Oh yeah, there we go. Thank you, Max, for the link. That is awesome. Perfect. Okay. So then what I'll do is I'll get a brighter green and I'll like highlight the edges because we are fancy here. Let me make it like fall off. Here we go. Let's make it super sharp. Yes, there we go. I don't know if this will make it look more realistic, but I like the way it looks when things have sharp edges that like glow a little bit. You know what I mean? Like some people's Blender look like that all the time, and I don't know what they do to it. No, I don't know what they do to it to make it look that pretty, but I kind of think I shouldn't do that because it's like not a realistic expectation of how the scene is gonna render. But you know what? That's okay. I feel like this makes it look a little bit more round. I mean, not really. I'm being delusional, but I don't know. Maybe, you know what I mean. It makes it look a little bit more worn because it has like that bump map. I'm just being delusional. I'm so sorry. What? Why are you not painting? Oh, that was weird. Why are you not painting the side? Here we go. See? No, stop, Blender. Paint the side. Oh, do I have to? There we go. It was just the normals being weird. Thank you. Someone said that I was good at modeling and that they're impressed by my designs. Thank you. I really appreciate that. There we go. See, it looks like it has a little bit more shadow, but then, be bog-dyed? Yeah, I can make her bog-dyed. That works. So then if I kind of just like blur it a bit, it'll be less harsh, I hope. Because like realistically, the shadow wouldn't be that intense on the edge here. There we go, that's good. And then I think if I make it smooth, it might make it look good. Yeah, there we go. But I do want to add a loop cut to each side just so it's not like super smooth. There we go. That looks nice. And then let's add some details. So to do that, I'm going to grab like a darker, maybe like a little bit of a brown and make it a little bit transparent. And then we'll add I don't have a texture yet. Let me go make one. My finger hurts really bad. You didn't really need to know that, but now you do. Okay, let's add like a musgrave texture. Something like that. And I can just kind of add some dirt to it. Because, I mean, realistically, it's a little old. So, like, it's not going to be in, like, the pristine condition. You know, it's at least 10 years old. There we go. And then so then another trick that I use a lot when I'm modeling is on the tops of models like this, I'll add a ton of shadow. Like this, which looks pretty terrible, admittedly. Just like this, but then, boop, once I put the head back on, it looks great, like that, see? Then it looks like it actually has a shadow. Perfect. So then I'm gonna write something on here. Let's see if I have enough resolution for this. Console ports in 2025? I'll try my best. I really will try my best, but I can't promise just because I do this all by myself completely. So, and I heard uploading the console is really hard. So let me try this. If I just write... That was terrible. That was absolutely terrible. I don't know why anyone would support me after I did that. That is horrible. Okay. Let's try this again. It's a little faded, and a little bit more than I would hope. Maybe I'll make it a tiny bit darker. Until the entire game is done? Oh, okay. I think that's an interesting point. See, that I could possibly do that too. I mean, controller support is coming for 2.0, so maybe that'll be like a good compensation in the meantime. This is just not looking good, but I'm trusting the process. Yeah, no, we're not trusting the process anymore. Actually, this doesn't look bad. Let me just make it a little bit darker. So it's a bit more of a shadow. That'll work, but maybe not as intense. Like so. Here we go. See what I'm doing here? Maybe it's obvious, maybe it's not. This is looking super janky, but you know what? Everyone's got to start from somewhere. Even Rotnik. Lucy is like technically a frog, but like more so a made-up species because she has like ears and like human limbs and stuff. So like if you really read into it, she's technically not a frog, but like it's fine enough to say she's a frog. There we go. See the vibe. See the vibe. And then I'm just gonna kind of smudge it a bit so it's not super consistent. Just like so. Just to look a little bit more worn, maybe. There we go. Perfect. Is FX a fox? Yeah, same thing with Lucy. FX is like kind of a fox, but like also not really. There we go. I think that looks good. It would be nice to have like some yellow strips on the side, just to like kind of complement the color of her mouth. Let me do that real fast. Just like here. You know what I mean? I think that helps a lot. You have a really cool idea for the skeleton chase? Ooh, share it. I'd love to hear it. If ever you guys have an idea for something, definitely let me know. I love hearing from you guys. There we go. Okay, I feel like that works. So then they wanted me to make her a little bit bog-eyed, which I have to do that in the texture itself. I can't do that on the model. So now I guess the candy like pops out of like here. I don't know. So now I have to merge these two textures, and Blender doesn't have a good way to do that. Oh. What is this part? Can I get rid of this part? Oh, that's her mouth. Okay, we're gonna have to do some serious reworking. Randomized skeleton variants? Skeleton variants? There already is. There's a ton of randomized skeleton variants. There's over 2.4 million right now. Does Lucy have lipstick? Maybe, probably. Okay, so to fix this problem where I can't open Photoshop, I'm going to redirect you to here, my second screen, and here are these nodes set up, and I'm gonna go as fast as I can. So in the meantime, I want every single one of you to say 5 great things about my node setup. Okay, go, and I'll try to get this done as soon as I possibly can. Oh, we got a subscriber, Osh Turbo, thank you. So everyone say 5 nice things about my node setup while I get this texture merged. And I will be watching, so go fast. Actually, go slow, because I don't want to have to go fast. Okay, let me open up the artifact texture sheet. Here we go, and then we open up the, I don't care, Photoshop. There we go. Okay, good. Amazing order, thank you. Yes. More. Okay, where's this buddy texture located? What in the world? Buddy flashlight. Got it. Okay, perfect. Then let me put this in here. Keep going. Not enough compliments yet. All right. Oh, there's so much garbage in this texture. I have to get rid of it. I can keep probably this. Keep up the compliments, guys. Almost there. All right, let me get rid of half of this because half of this is not relevant to this. Because like it has this, for context, it has like, because it's a buddy flashlight, so it has like the stick part of the flashlight, and you know we obviously don't need that for our collectible or inspectable or artifact. That's what it's called, artifact. Good. Yes. Ambient inclusion usage. That's a good one. That's a popular one. Oh yeah, that's a great reference. Thank you. Okay, then let me put this in the right spot. And then move it down where it's going to be a little bit low quality, but you know what? It's fine. And then we make the eyes a little bit bugged-eyed. The node is named. Yes, that's a good point. I Ah, the pressure is real. Ah, no, I'm messing up. I'm like, I wish I could show you, but I'm like messing everything up. Like everything that could possibly go wrong, I am messing up. Okay, move the eye a little bit. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be funny. And then I'll paint the eye white where I moved it. Come on, come on. No, it's ruining it. Ah, stop. There we go. Oh, we got a super chat. I'm gonna let AES announce it in a moment. Oh wait, no, it's probably not on the screen, is it? No, it should be on the right screen. Okay, we should be good. I'll just thank you for the super chat so much. Thank you. That I really appreciate it. The nodes are a slay and a yes. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm exporting it now. No, it's in the wrong directory. Go games, Venge, assets. No, I went textures. Master. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Artifact set 1. And save. Okay, boom. We're good. Now let me close out of this file so I don't accidentally spoil myself. Make sure everything's closed. All right. Boom, we're back. Okay. Thank you for appreciating my hard work with doing textures. So let me watch this. Oh no, this is gonna spoil everything. Ready? Let me move it like this. Okay, ready? So it looks terrible, and then if I switch to artifact set, she goes dark. There she here she is. Slowly coming into frame. Okay, there we go. I think the textures match like that. I mean, she has a little bit of black edges, which aren't the best, but I think I can fix that fairly easily. Okay, what's this part? Is it normal that I'm listening to the live stream? No, that's completely normal. Yeah, everyone. A lot of people, they'll listen to the live streams after they're done and then just kind of vibe with it, which I love that, you know? I do that a lot too. Not with live streams, but with like video essays. What? Are these the inside? Why do I have this? I don't need these textures. Get rid of them. There we go.
Attention all live stream viewers. Jones has donated $2.99 through Super Chat. Thank you. They said, the notes are so slay and yes.
Thank you so much for your super chat. Hopefully you guys are entertained by the AES system. I spent a long time on it, so you better be entertained. It took like 2 minutes. Okay, but like I don't like these. Why are there black outlines on everything? Let me try scaling it inwards. It's only on certain parts. It's only on you right here. Oh, okay, gotcha. I just have to scale you in more. There we go. See, then the cool part is I can just merge it like that. Boom, done. But this is now being weird. I think it's because I have smart. There we go. So then hopefully the eyes they're not as bug-eyed as they are. Oh no, do I have to edit the texture then? Maybe I can just do some trickery. Because I really don't want to have to edit the texture again and make you guys compliment my nodes one more time. But I may have to. No, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it one more time. So hopefully you guys have more to say about my amazing node work. Okay, there we go. All right, I gotta open Photoshop again. So, everyone this time compliment. I can't show you that. I'll give you. There's like nothing else. We're going back to the notes. Sorry. Actually, maybe I can show you something a bit more interesting. I will show you. I'll show you the chat. Yeah, there you go. Watch the chat, and so it'll be like an infinite recursion sort of thing. Okay, ready? Everyone get ready to have their mind blown. Boom. Okay, everyone watch the chat while I fix the eyes so that they're a little bit goofier. You guys can like talk to yourself while I do it. Let me really make sure that these eyes are like separated. Blah 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 blah. Let me try to go as fast as possible. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, look, it's you guys. Wow, look, there you go. Okay, save. All right, and then let me close out of this file once more. All right. No, I didn't mean to close Photoshop. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, and then boop, go right back to Blender. Close out of the live chat. There we go. Okay, let me update the texture. There we go. Perfect. 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 Let's go. This is wonderful. Maybe I'll add a little bit more detail just so it's not as like Yes, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, she doesn't have the red lips. Oh no. Let me add that real fast. That's what I'm missing. Let me see if... Let me just make the entire mouth red lips. Like even on the lip side. I don't know how to use lipstick, but I assume you're not supposed to put it on the inside of your mouth. But you know what? Lucy abides by her own rules. No one can tell her how she does her lipstick. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer lipstick or no lipstick? Why is the game under... Oh, okay, so funny story. All She Wants for Christmas Is You is considered a part of YouTube's game. It's like you can type in the game and it'll find it. But Venge is not for some reason. So it usually will resort to like Five Nights at Freddy's, and I don't want that. So I put it under All She Wants for Christmas Is You. Lipstick? Okay, cool. What if I gave her FX's teeth? How would this look? This looks really hideous, but it's for the laughs. Did it for the views, guys. Okay. So then I want to add the machine thing. It actually turns out I can't texture it because the texture is way too small. So I lied to you. I am so sorry for the emotional distress that may have caused. Yeah, I am so sorry for the pain. But I did what I had to do. So how in the world does this work? Rip it out again. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, well, I'm gonna separate this and then I'm gonna go here, 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 here. Perfect. And we'll squish that back in place and then we will squish it out like so. And then the inside parts of this will be like machine, where like presumably the candy would come out. You know what? That looks terrible. Never mind. We're just not gonna do that. We're not gonna bother with that. Okay. Well, that's that done. So cool. Let's name this Lucy Candy Toy. And look at this cool little tool I have. I have this little add-on that I made, and yeah, this is Blender. And I can just go like this, boop, and it'll rename all of my selected mesh. So now that I have my Lucy Candy Toy, watch what I have to do to get. So this is how I get the assets from Blender to Venge. I go into my coaster add-ons here, and I just hit export. And then it automatically does all of the work. So now it's in here. So let me show you. Oh wait, I forgot a step. So next thing, last thing, ready? We have to create the icon for this artifact. But the problem is the file that I render all this stuff has all of the artifacts and all the items, which has spoilers. So once again, I'm going to send you to a different screen, and this time I have a screen that's entertaining for you. So it'll be like a one moment while I hide everything, and then we will be good to go. Are you ready? So be prepared to have brain rot. Okay, I think it's this one. There you go. Brain rot, brain rot, brain rot, brain rot. Oh, hi Ryan. Okay, so I can actually talk to you, I think, while I do this. There you go, brain rot. Look, it's Freddy. Mama, Freddy, Freddy. Boom, boom. Okay, I'm almost done. Trust me, guys. No, I'm blocking Cody. There you go. Here, I gotta have Cody. Okay. Where's Cody? There you go, Cody. And then let me make this bigger. I'll put it in the background. There you go. Okay. I need to work. I need to stop getting distracted. I'm getting distracted by the brain rot. Okay. Okay, no more brain rot, we're good. So I have this scene right here where I render all of my items and artifact images. So we'll just drag the artifact image into here, like so. Make sure that looks good. I think we can increase the textures a bit, make them a little bit nicer. I don't like what it's doing to the edges here. It's the same sort of problem. So maybe what I'll do is I'll go here. I'll go individual origins and just kind of scale them in. There we go, that fixed it. So then we adjust the material so that it looks nice on the render, just like so. Perfect. Okay, then all I do is I hit render, and it creates this wonderful image for us. And then back to brain rot, because I have to save this image. Brain rot, brain rot, brain rot, brain rot. Hello everyone. Hi Ronnie. Okay, we're back from brain rot. I saved you guys. Okay, so I made an edit with your Venge trailer music. Oh, I love that. That's so cool. I would love to see it. Yeah, feel free to use all my music to make whatever kind of trailers you guys want. Okay, we're back from brain rot. Now let's put this artifact in the game. So, ow, no, don't look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if I open up the game where I saved it, I have created, while you guys were getting brain rotted and while you guys were losing brain cells, I have created this wonderful image. I saved it. That's basically all I did. So this is our item icon. So then, oh my gosh, I have to give you more brain rot. I'm so sorry. Okay, ready? I gotta save this in the right spot. Okay, ready, set, and brain rot. Okay, sorry. Oh, also, that was mission abort, and if you guys didn't know, hold on, let me give you brain rot one more time, sorry. Okay, we're good. I just wanted to make sure that my Spotify wouldn't open right on the live stream and embarrass myself. But I was gonna show you. If you guys like mission abort, check this out, because I have released mission abort on streaming server. Oh, that's the wrong one. On streaming services. Woo! Here it is. Ignore all of that. Look, can I hide that? There we go. Yeah, ignore that. It's on streaming services. So we have mission abort and mission invade. I'm going to send the link to this in the chat. But if you don't have Spotify, it will be on YouTube soon. I'm just giving my last video time to grow and stuff like that. It's also on Apple Music, but, you know, if you're using Apple Music, you can search for it yourself. So, okay, what was I doing? I keep getting sidetracked. Right. Okay, so here's how I create an artifact. So, okay, we're good to go. So I go Tools, Create Artifact, and then I select all of my artifacts. And then I'm going to type in the name. So, Lucy Candy Toy. And then this gets saved under... We get it in Get Mail, and then I hit create. Boom. Oh my gosh. I gotta be out of that screen. Okay. So then here we go. Now we're, oh, this is nice, very nice. Okay. So I wish I could zoom in, but then basically what I do is I get the sprite and I look for Lucy Candy Toy. Here we go. And then I'll write a description for it. A moldy, likely infected plastic candy dispenser found in the depths of your closet. Disgusting. But perhaps... Oh, how disgusting, but perhaps... How disgusting, or is it? I don't know, something stupid like that. Well, usually I write... No! Oh, okay, good. I don't like that reset button. That's annoying. I'm gonna reset things all the time. A moldy, likely infected plastic candy dispenser found in the depths of your closet. How disgusting, or is it? Might be worth a shot. Okay, so then it's not from a minigame. The model scale should be fine. And then I have to assign the mesh. So, all I have to do is I search candy toy. Here we go. And then I search for artifact. Is that one? Here we go. And boom. So that'll work, except for we have to update the textures to our artifact. So if I just hit export all, in one moment it should show all of the things. I have Spotify blocked, fair enough. That's okay. It'll be on YouTube soon. I just want to give it extra time to for my last video to like grow before I push out another video. Okay, so we did that, and then it's all done. It's all ready to go. So now we should be good. So if I did not test this on the stream, so we're gonna figure this out together. Yeah, I'd love for you to draw my characters. I totally am cool with that. Yeah, of course. You can add Lucy to your own game, like as a cameo, for sure. I don't mind that at all. Okay, when merch? Hopefully soon. Okay, so let me just test something real fast. Make sure I don't have any spoiler artifacts in here. Oh, I do. That's terrible. Okay, that's fine. I can forget about it. So / artifacts, forget. Let me now. What was it called? What did I call it? Yeah, we'll forget that one. And then, okay. I just can't use the console. I should have a clear command. Do I have a clear command? Let me see. I do not have a clear command. Well, that's gonna come soon. Oh, there's another one. Oh gosh, there's a good amount that I have spoilers for. Okay. I have to do artifact. You know what? We're not gonna do this. I'm just gonna clear it out directly from the file system. So let me go here and go to documents. Documents / my games / coaster / Venge. What release am I on? I am on ending. Okay. So I'll go 2.0 beta ending. Collection. No, that's not very helpful. Oh, this is gonna be spoilers. So brain rot. Sorry. Wait, what? That's weird. I'm just gonna go to the release version then. Sorry, hold on. I'm just changing my build so that I can get this working properly. Save all settings. Okay. Oh yeah, I love this song too. Okay, so we're back from brain rot. Sorry about it. Actually, no, we're not. Sorry, I lied. Then editor, collection. Yeah, get rid of all this stuff. We can't have any of this. Okay, back from brain rot. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me check to make sure, because the reason that I had to do that is because my artifact list had artifacts already discovered, and I did not want you guys to see them. So perfect. Okay, we're good. So look, check this out. So here's the artifact list. We are all good to go. And you may notice a certain artifact right here. Hey, that's the one we added. How wonderful. There's a bunch of other ones here. There's gonna be a lot more, so we can like filter. This is the only Act 0 artifact. How cool. So now that we got the artifact done, let's add it into the game, shall we? So to do that, I'll go quick scenes, Act 0. I don't have the scene loaded. Game, Act 0, house. Go here, yeah. Show us the spoilers? No spoilers. No spoilers. No intentional spoilers. Okay, so then if I go, sorry, wrong one. I go add current scene. There we go. Then it'll just be listed in my little quick scene thing here. Here's the Act 1 house map, by the way, from how it looks in the Unity scene. It is quite cool, but that's not the cool part. The cool part is what we are needing to do up here. So if we go into the house, into the bedroom, inside the closet, there's not a shelf. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I can't believe I would deceive you like this. That's what we're doing first. We're gonna make a shelf for this room. Actually, you know what? Why not improve the room a little bit while we're at it too? So welcome to Lucas's bedroom. A really cool place. I wish this room was like my room. This room is so cool. Excuse me, what do you think you're doing here? This random wall. Excuse me, you have the roof too? Dang. Where's Lucy's pet capybara? It's outside. It's not available. Oh, because fun fact, Lucas's bedroom completely clips into the side of the house because there's just not space for it. So when you're outside of the house, you could totally see the bedroom if it wasn't unloaded. That's just a little fun fact. So we can ignore that for now. But what I am not going to ignore is the fact that there is no shelves in the closet, which should be an easy fix. We just plop that in there just like so. Perfect. And I mean, realistically, he would have a lot more shelves. But adding shelves are nice. Oh, they're literally floating. Adding shelves are nice because number one, they fill up space, but number two, they're like a double-edged sword because number one, they fill up space, but then number two, they create more space for me to be lazy and not put stuff and make the game look worse. And then like no one will play it, and then everyone will refund it, and then I'll go broke, and then I'll have to like live in a box under the bridge, and then like I'll cry every single day. So that's kind of why I avoid doing shelves, to be honest, because of that emotional. The emotional distress that it causes, but I can excuse it for this special live stream. So, okay, perfect. Then it's not clipping into the chair. Perfect, wonderful, boom, wonderful. Then, as I showed before, all I do is I just hit export, and then kaboom. Where are the closet doors? What in the world? Where are the closet doors? What? Where's the beanbag? Where's the bed? No, what happened? No, wait, hold on. No, what happened? Where'd they go? Yeah, it's a part of the export process. What? What the? Where'd they go? Hold on a second. It's not fair. What is it called? I've never had this issue before. What are these objects called? Bedroom decoration. What? Why is it on these leaves? What happened to it? What in the world? It's only these leaves, these tiny little leaves that stuck around. What in the world? I think I know why. I think it has something to do with like the material index. Let me try adding it again. Maybe. Did that fix it? No. I know another thing I could try. I'll just add like a little plane here. And I'll call this. And I'll select the bedroom decoration and then I'll. There we go. Oh. What? Why does this happen? It completely erased all of my UV coordinates. What? Why? That's so weird. Does it happen if I duplicate it and then join it back? What? That's so weird. Why does it do that? That's really bizarre. What? That is so weird. Why does it do that? It did it again. What in the world? Actually, what in the world? Why does it do that? My Helpy voice is coming out. What in the world? The shelves are cursed. Honestly, the shelves were cursed. I'm so confused. I'm so perplexed. Oh. Never mind, figured it out. Fixed it. It was just, for some reason I had created a duplicate UV map that was wrong. What? No! It still is broken. Oh, because the name is bad. There we go. Now if I try it, we should be good. Perfect. Okay, we're good. We're good. False alarm. I just had weird UV stuff going on. We're good. We're good. Pretend that never happened. There we go. Perfect. Wonderful. 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 That never happened. Okay. So, now what we'll do is we get to add the artifact, which I can't do without spoilers. So back to brain rot you go. Bye. Alright, I'm back. So while you guys were getting your brain rotted, I got the plush in the game. Or not the plush, the toy in the game. Yay! Okay. So let's get this in place. So I'm thinking we have it just like kind of sitting here like awkwardly on the shelf. And ideally I'd put like a lot more Venge merch here, but not yet. Maybe one day. There we go. I think that's a little too big though. Let me scale it down. And move up. There we go. And scale you down. Perfect. So here we go. Then let me add a box collider, and then here's how I make it an artifact. So let me just call it the candy toy. Why does it show it if it's weird? Okay, and then we'll add this to the interactables for, yeah, okay. Then what we do is we just add an interactable element, and then we change this from default to collectible. And then, oh, I'm gonna get brain rot. Okay, everyone go to my second screen this time, because you won't get brain rot on that side. Okay, and then we select Lucy candy toy. Boom, okay. And then kill on collect right here. So what that'll do is that does all the work for us. I will be fine though. Okay, so now let's load into the scene and let's see if it worked. Wonderful stuff. So here we go. Perfect. Okay, so we load into the scene. No crashes. Oh, that was laggy. There we go. Look. Eee! There she is. Okay, so then if I click it, perfect. And then if I go to artifacts, hey, oh. A little too big. Hold on a second. Let's fix that. So that's actually an easy fix. While you guys are distracted on the second screen, here, look, ready? Brain rot. Okay, while you guys are distracted with the second screen, I will fix the Lucy scale thing. So if I change it to here, and then there we go. Perfect. So that looks good. And then the description is nice, everything looks good, and then the rarity is unsure because the server has no idea what item this is, but I'll add that later. Perfect. Oh, yeah, you guys can see. And that's how you create an artifact in Venge. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? That's how you do it. So there you go. Now we're gonna work on flashlight skins. Not flashlight skins, I lied. Thanks, Stompy, for lying to me. I'm gonna add the Helpy skin from the video. I think that'd be a really good example, and it'd be really fun. Look at how wonderful she looks. Eee! Okay, so I have to go to the restroom. I will be right back. So I can either let you watch the spinning artifact indefinitely, or I can give you brain rot. Which one do you guys prefer? Or I can go like to the be right back screen. One of the three. What do you guys prefer? You got like 5 seconds to respond before I like literally end the stream. So ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Everyone wants spinning Lucy. Okay, ready? I'm gonna spin it really fast. Okay, ready? Let me try to go really fast, and then let me turn off my microphone so that no one tries to say anything to you guys. Okay, ready? Here we go. All right, enjoy the stream. Ready, set. Hi, I'm back. Sorry, I didn't realize that there was no background music on this scene. So, It looks like no one left. We got one new person. So hello to the one new person. You just experienced the spinny. I thought it would spin a lot longer, to be honest. Oh, that would have been better if I spun it that way, like. You know what I mean, like. Oh, see, I could have done that. That really gets it going right there. That would have lasted like a good 20 seconds longer. Okay, so now let me make sure I hide all that sort of thing. Now we are gonna start working on the Helpy skin. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, in the last video, or the most recent video, which everyone should watch that right now. Like everyone go watch it right now. Not right now, like when the stream is over. I mentioned how we could have a skin for Helpy and then it would change the color, right? So let's do that. So there's a few things we need to do. We need to do a little bit of programming. So if you guys are afraid of programming, now is the time to leave. So let's get started. So where's my... Hold on a second. Script. Okay. Then I'm going to search for artifact. Okay. Let me see which one it is. Right here. So this is my... this is where I define how artifacts are created and stuff. It's wonderful. It's perfect. There's no flaws at all. But sadly, this doesn't... this is nice, but it's not what I need. So I need an artifact that has a specific modifier on it, so that when the game gets it, that it knows that this artifact is a little bit different. So I think it should be fine to go here. Yeah, okay. So let me create a new one. So we're gonna call this one an artifact modifier. No, that doesn't sound good. We'll call this artifact. What should I call it? It's okay, it describes an artifact that changes gameplay. So it's an artifact. I think I might just call it artifact skin. Honestly, I think that's a good name for it. So let's open this up. And then, because of the power of object-oriented programming, I loved object-oriented programming. And if you do not like object-oriented programming, feel free to leave. I'm just kidding. But so I can just inherit from the artifact, and then I can create my own stuff. So, for example, what do I do here? Well, now that we're here, you know what? We will figure that out in the moment. So we have created this, and then I think I can actually override. And well, let's see. Actually, what does this have? Because I know there's one to get type. Well, yeah, right here. Oh, it implements that interface. Okay, gotcha. So you'd like to be able to override this right here. So honestly, maybe I don't do an artifact, but I really would like to. But I would love to be able to override that. Maybe I can do it anyway. Let's see. Public override, or maybe I have to change it to virtual, which might break it. You fine with that? No, perfect. It's fine with that. Wonderful. So we can just override that. Excuse me. Why can I not override that? Is it still compiling, maybe? Am I being dumb? Why can't I override that? What? Do I have to implement this interface too? C# is not my forte. It's more Java. I think I might have to do that. No? Oh, I'm getting errors. They're getting mad at me. Maybe I need to save it and let it recompile first. Yeah, so we could make the Helpy green, or we could make the Helpy red. Which one do you think would be better? Okay, maybe now? No, why? Why? Why is it not letting me do this? I swear I've done this before. Oh, I'm literally stupid. That's why. That's why, because I was doing the wrong one. Quality game developer here, guys. There we go. There we go. Wonderful. Okay, so then for the type, we have 3 different types right now. I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to call this skin. Go an artifact skin. So, well, yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to return dot skin. Perfect. So then what we can do is let's model a Helpy skin first. So Let me do a poll. Let me do a poll for the color. That's what I said, color and poll at the same time. Ignore that poll. That poll was cool, but it wasn't iconic. Help see color. So we can either do green, red, or yellow. Those would be the colors. Okay, everyone vote. And if you guys don't have a unanimous vote, then I'm going to end the live stream right now. So choose it smart. Okay, I'm just kidding also, by the way. Do special things. I don't know if I can have it do special things, but you know, we will see. So then what I'll do is we'll go back to the artifact set actually. Perfect. And then we're gonna make an artifact for the skins. So I imagine it'd be like a bunch of flash, you know what I mean? Okay, let me vote. I'm gonna honestly choose red. I think red would be the most iconic. Yeah, it looks like red is winning. Red is winning. Red is the closest thing to Dorito. True. Yes, so he's a little demon friend. And maybe I could even make it so if he has the red skin, he's on fire. That'd be kind of funny, right? Okay, so for the skin itself, what would it look like? Oh, I have an idea. It's a little bit literal. Oh my gosh, spoilers. Don't look at that. It's really not that spoilers. I haven't added a lot of the artifacts that are actually spoilers, so it's not that big of a deal, but it's good to be safe. Help see. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our boy and we're gonna take his skin, all of it. We got the mesh, right? Like, the Helpsy skin would literally just be Helpsy skin. There we go. That's it. We're done. So, that's all we need to do. We just need to make the skin, and obviously let's flatten it a bit. Oh, watch this. Watch this, guys. This is gonna be cool. Ready? So let me make a big floor. Like, there we go. And then we'll put Helpsy skin on top of it, and then we'll give Helpsy the cloth simulation. What am I showing? Okay, good. Get rid of that, and we'll go cloth, and we'll give this a collision. Ready? Watch this. Perfect. There we go. Oh. Okay, maybe not that good actually. Let me make it a little bit better. Let me give it internal springs and then also give it self-collision. Okay, there we go. Let's bake this time so I don't have to go as slow. Boop-a-doo. That was not music, that was glory-ness. Wonderfulness. Oh, you're talking about the music? Oh, that's Jingle Bells, kind of. A little too springy. Okay. How can I... What if I just tried without that? Oh, sad auto grow broken vibes. This one's good. Okay, there we go. See, look, see what I mean? And then we can even make it a little bit more interesting if we add like if we add like a little cube inside of here, and then maybe like a little, just so it's not as flat. Because flat things aren't fun. Just like so. And then we will let it drop. Right about when we get to 100, then we'll let it stop. Ready? Perfect. Then I will give it a solidify modifier, so we get to see all of its beautiful sides. And that looks good to me. So then I'll apply the mesh, and I'll merge any duplicates that it has, and then I will fix the arms so that they kind of stick together. It's like quite literally Helpsy's skin. So like that kind of implies that maybe like lore-wise Helpsy has a bunch of different skins that he uses to like lure people in. I don't know, something to look into. We're gonna decimate modifier because this thing has 12,000 vertices. We absolutely cannot have that. Let's get it down to maybe 2,000. Still is a lot. You know what I'm gonna do instead? Instead of doing all that, I'm gonna. When I had the solidifier modifier, yeah, there we go. Just before that, before I deleted it. Here we go. So I'm just gonna get rid of the solidify modifier. I'm gonna apply the mesh, delete that. Here we go. Then on the back side, everything that's facing the back, that we cannot see from the front with that exception. So we'll just kind of go like this. Oh wait, I forgot it's an inspectable, no, so we do need to have a solidify modifier. Ugh, that's fine. So we do solidify modifier. Perfect, wonderful, fantastical. Okay, so but this thing still has the problem of having 12,000 vertices. So let's do a decimate. And let's get it down to maybe 2,000. I think that'd be respectable. Actually, this looks fine. Yeah, this works. Much less than before, but it's fine. And maybe I can recalculate from the outside. Perfect. Here we go. So here's Helpsy's skin. Wonderful, wonderful. He sheds his skin like an insect? Low key, honestly, yeah. POV you felt literally. So then what we need to do is make this, what's the winning color? The winning color is red. There's like almost 50 people here and there's only 40 votes. There's only 30 votes. So some of you guys have not voted. Make sure to vote, otherwise your opinion will be completely invalidated and that will be sad. Okay, so actually I think it'd be kind of funny if it's fine, it's fine. Okay, well maybe I'll try it. If like he was like missing like a hole in the back of like where his eye would go, maybe just so it's a little bit more cool. Yeah, that works. Perfect. You voted yellow because funny. It looks like red is winning, rightfully so. So now what we're gonna do is, looks like this is done. So we're gonna call this, let's make this smaller first of all. We're gonna call this the Helpsy red skin. Okay, just like so, and then we'll export that. Oh, I forgot to fix the name. I should really put this button on here. That'd be really nice. Okay, so we did that. Yeah, so I'm gonna give Venge to as much YouTubers as I can. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the chat, and I'm gonna try to come back to it and email or send the copy to all of those YouTubers. But okay, we got this. Then I need to make a render of it. So once again, brain rot, have fun. Okay, I actually didn't need to do brain rot because we're right here anyway. So we'll move Lucy off to the side, and then I'll go here, and then I shall go to props, artifact set. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, I did open, not append. Okay, but I will have to do brain rot for a second. So let me, actually I can just do it off screen so I don't have to give you guys brain rot. You guys are gonna be like losing so much brain cells from this live stream. I am sorry, but I'm also not sorry, so you know, it is how it is. Okay, here we go. We got this in this file. So let's kind of make like a pathetic looking like render. It like looks like this. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, unfortunately red won, so we're gonna making Helpsy red. So let me get rid of these annoying Lucy lines all over Helpsy, and make them look like that. And then I'm just gonna shift the color. So we're just gonna shift it to red. This is how it's gonna actually be implemented in the game. I'm just gonna like just shift it. So if I make it like red, like so, and like pumped up. Ooh, that really looks like a Dorito. Which I think that's what you guys wanted. There we go. Red with a little bit of orange. There we go. See? Red with a little bit of yellow. Red, see? Yeah, exactly. So this is what red Helpsy looks like. And then, boom, we'll render that. That looks very interesting, just like so. I don't like how these are looking. I think they look a little goofy. So let me just kind of like make these a little bit droopier, especially you. Perfect, okay. Yes, look at that. Look, that's like, wait, hold on, guys. Watch this, watch this. Ready? Check this out, ready? Let me open this image up. Oh my gosh, what kind of blog did I find? Ready? Spot the difference. Spot the difference. It's the same picture. Okay, so now we got this. Now I have to save it. So brain rot again. You know what? Actually, I feel bad. So let me add something to your brain rot. Let me give you some more brain rot stuff. You guys, I'll give you more brain rot content. Look, it's circus baby. Eee! I'll also give you look, brain, so that you remember what you're losing. There we go. Brain. Okay, that'll entertain you for a little bit. Freed from the brain rot. So if you keep wondering why I keep doing brain rot stuff, it's because I am doing stuff on the screen that's spoilers for 2.0. So I'm doing it for your sake. So like your loss of brain cells is really, really good for you, actually. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this now. Wonderful. So then we're gonna call this discarded red Helpy skin. Okay, and obviously we find this in Helpy's. And then we're gonna create. Ah! No, it did it again. Ah! I should have been prepared. Okay, then we'll do red Helpy skin. Perfect. And then we're looking for red Helpy, or what? Oh, Helpy red skin. That's what it was. And then we're just gonna be doing Helpy, just like so. Yeah, cool. But we need to create a variant of this. So we're going to call this Helpy red skin. Perfect. Then what we need to do is, in order to make this properly red, we got to make some modifications to this shader. So let's open this up. And I can do this on screen, just so that it's not super boring. Here we go. So I need to add, when the new texture comes in, I need to have this. Okay, so we're going to convert the texture into hue saturation value, and then we're going to convert it back into a texture. So we'll go here, here, here. And what this lets me do is this lets me modify some of the values. So I can go here and I'll go hue, and then I'll just do an add. And this is Amplify Shader Editor. If you don't know what this is, it is an incredible tool. I highly recommend it. It is honestly so nice. It has single-handedly made Venge 2.0 really, really, really good. So we got hue, and then we're going to have saturation. This will go from, we'll go from -1 to 1. I don't think this is how it's supposed to work, but you know what? It's fine. I don't care how it's supposed to work. Just like so. And then value. We're fine without doing that. Okay. So then we got these properties on our material itself. Let me save this. And perfect. Then I'll just close that. And then now we have these properties for our red skin. So then we can go here and we can shift the hue until we get a nice pretty red. Let's make it more saturated. Yeah. Try to get it to match the colors that there we go. I think this is what we came up with. Look, Helpy ball. Okay, I think that looks good. Do you guys think so? And then I'll even make it fun. I'll even make the Lucy lines orange. I mean, the red source lines orange, like that. Well, that might be confusing. Yeah, I'll just do that. But when it inflates, it'll, like, when it goes like this, it'll turn orange. Just to be cool. Okay, cool, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so that's the red Helpy skin. So then, what we need to do is we need to go back to, which I lost. Oh no, actually I didn't. Watch, I can just go here. Perfect. I recently bought this this extension for the Unity editor, and it is awesome. It's on sale. I think the sale's over though, so I'm sorry about that. But Yes. And actually, you guys are gonna get a spoiler because you're gonna know where this thing is gonna be. So then we're gonna give it the red skin. What? Oh, I was like, why is it freezing? Okay, perfect. So that is all good to go. Now let's put it in the game. So let's go Act 1 flipped. And you're gonna get some spoilers, but not a lot. So let me just grab. Well, I could hide them, but then you just get more brain rot, and I have a feeling that you guys don't want that anymore. Hello, welcome back. It's taking forever, jeez. Do. In the meantime, oh, never mind. The game was like, I will save you. We are working on the red Helpy skin that we just added. So let's go into the daycare over here. And let's figure out a place to add it. So I would like to add it at the end of the game, so then it kind of encourages you to replay it. Hopefully, maybe I like a point where, right here, this is perfect. I'll add it off to the side of here. Yeah, this will be a good spot. And the reason it'll be a good spot is because it's in a trap. This is, if you don't remember, this is the trap room from 1.0. It's a lot better though. So then you have an incentive to do the bad ending now. So let's see. Actually, I'm gonna have it floating in the lava. So then you kind of have to jump into the lava to kill. You have to kill yourself to get it, but then once you get it, you're good. So let me add it into the map. You're gonna have to get brain rot one more time. Alright, that was fast. That wasn't too bad. Okay, where did it go though? It's over here. So I'm gonna have it floating in the lava like this. And, ooh. Why do you look like that? That's not how you're supposed to look. Helpy. Red. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna have it floating in the lava, almost like Helpy like discarded it. Yes, Helpy basically has a boss fight now. So almost like Helpy discarded it on like a failed like. Oh wait, no, you can't even jump in the lava right there. Where can you jump in the lava? Wait, can you? Hold on, let's check this. So if I go here and load in Helpy right here. Let's see. Let's check it out. You can't jump in the lava? Okay, gotcha. I'll find a place where you can. Let's let the game load. Taking forever. Alright, let's go to here. If you're wondering what all this is temporary UI. That's what it looks like until the game actually takes over and makes it look good. So, here we go.
That was close.
Yeah.
Never again.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's
We
go.
almost died. I almost died. Oh my gosh.
Let's go this way. You guys are seeing behind the scenes of the Helpy area. I know Helpy, it's fine though. We can keep him in our backpack. That'll be fine. Okay, here we go. We'll fly over here. Okay, here we go.
Alright, just
Why are the subtitles doing that? That's really weird. Let me make a note of that real fast. Switch to my main screen here. Helpy subtitles broken. Okay. Alright, let's go back. Okay, so if we put Helpy down. I can't. Oh, I see. I can't jump off anywhere near here. This isn't like 1.0. So I have to cross the bridge. Then at that point, I can't jump off either. Okay. So here isn't a good spot then. But I will do it in this room. I just won't put it right there. I'll put it in. Plus the lava moves, so it's kind of a hassle. We'll put it up back here behind the strawberries. Like, actually no, we're gonna put it behind the door, like right here. Perfect. And we'll have it just like squished right here. A little bigger maybe. Just like so. And maybe a little smaller too. Do you guys want to see the transformation scene too? Yeah, so if you put Helpy in your backpack, he makes muffled noises. He's like, get me out of here, get me out of here. It's like funny. Helpy skin. Let me add this to the right set. So we have Flip Daycare, Interactables, Finale Rooms, Kill Room, which is you. Yep. And we'll put the Helpy skin in here. So then we'll go here, and we'll go Interactable, and we'll change this to type of collectible, and then we'll kill on collect, and then let me change it. Oh, you can't even see it. Perfect. Wonderful. Then I will change it to the discarded red Helpy skin. Perfect. Okay, great. So now if we try this in the game. Stop it. Unity. Okay, here we go. So let's try this in the game now. Will there be option to disable the skin? Yep, exactly. So then that's what we're going to be doing next. I don't think we'll have time to get to the glow flashlight, but we shall see. So, here we go. I don't know why the subtitles are broken. That's so annoying.
Was close. Never again. I think it was backwards. Go back. I think it was backwards. Go back.
Ignore all of this. This is all like spoilers, but like you don't know the context, so it'll be fine.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Here we go. Ready? Boom! We did it. Okay, cool. So, now, let's check it out in the game. There we go. I didn't write a description for it, and it's also way too big. So let's fix that right now. If I go to artifacts and then select the discarded Helpy skin. First of all, let's change that to 0.1 because that's way too big. There we go. Ooh, look at how pretty that looks. Oh, that looks wonderful. That looks wonderful. Okay, let's write a description. So, I shall say, like a bug, like a snake sheds its skin. What kind of disturbing, twisted line leave this on. This behind. Oh wait. Okay, let's see if that looks good. So then if I just reload, there we go. And then it's fine that it has a little bit of spoiler that Helpy turns evil, because by the time you collect the skin, you've already seen Helpy's evilness. So perfect. Look at that. Look at that beautifulness. I can spin it really fast too. Ready? Let me try to spin it super fast. Pew! Spin, spin, spin. Phew. There we go. Yeah, get it spinning. There we go. Look at that. Look at that go. Hello. Welcome to the stream. All right. So now that we've discovered Helpy's skin, now what should we do? Well, let's go and see Helpy's skin in game. What the? What in the world? That was really weird. That was very bizarre. Why did it do that? As Helpy's like screaming in the background. Why did that happen? Did you see that? Like the flashlight was like stuck on my screen for a split second. How bizarre. Interesting. I guess I'll just return null. Yeah, I get it, Helpy. Okay. So that was very bizarre. So, okay, let's now that we got the skin, let's see it in game. So Unity's gonna take forever to do this. So in the meantime, look what I have set up. Oh, did that even work? Oh, we're on the wrong screen. Let me duplicate it then. So if I go here, copy, here, paste as a reference. Okay, there we go. So in the meantime, okay, so actually we're good. So let's start playing the game. And then we should see in just a moment, whenever Unity decides to load, just like this. Wait a second. Helpy doesn't have his skin on, right? Like if we go into the light up here, he's still purple. That's because we never implemented it. So this is the real tricky part of the stream. So how am I gonna do this? Okay, let's talk through it a tiny bit. So let me go to my main thing here, and let me find like a Helpy instance that we can work with, like right here, this one right here. So this one, where is it? Oh, this is the ghost. Never mind. I want the real Helpy. There we go. This guy right here. So, where is he? Oh, I'm in the wrong room. That's fine. Let's do finale rooms. Let's do final vent or Helpy instance. Okay, here we go. So this little guy, right? This is a prefab. So if we open the prefab, then we have this little Helpy man, right? So my thinking is I have this, which I made this in 1.0, but I don't use it as much. I have this if then script right here, which what I can do is I can say like if variable is equal to whatever, then whatever, right? So I'm kind of thinking maybe, well, hold on, there's an error here. Let's try to fix this first. This was caused by something here going wrong. I'll just like put like these question marks. When can I do like, wait, are these booleans? What are these? They're types. You know what, it's fine, I'll fix it later. I'm thinking we have this, and then we just have a new option for collectibles, right? So that I can check like if a skin is enabled, for example. So first things first, if we go to our artifact backend here, this is where like all of the artifact stuff is saved. So you can see I set the discovery state, I can get the discovery time and get the discovery state. And so I'm gonna add a new function here called public static void set skin state. So we need the save ID, so save ID, and then we need the bool state, right? So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go save system dot collection dot set bool, and then we need to do skin state and then plus save ID. I'm gonna do an underscore, just like so. This is how I save stuff in the game, by the way. It's a really cool system, like so. And then yeah, we're good. But then the interesting thing here that we're gonna do, I know, an actual stream. Oh wait, what if you wrote kind of, wait, in Helpy's description you wrote what kind of, oh, let me fix that real fast. Where was it? Here we go. What kind, oh, good catch there. All right, let's go all the way back. Okay, so, when we set if the state is enabled or disabled, then we're gonna have public static bool get skin state string save ID, and then the important part is we'll return save system dot collection dot get bool, and we'll just copy this plus save ID, and then the important part is it returns true by default. So what that means is when you get the skin, it automatically applies, and that is very, very, very important. So, but actually that's kind of tricky. What we're gonna have to do is check if it's first discovered. So we'll get the discovery state of it first, and then we'll check if the skin is enabled. So the reason that I'm doing it this way is so that it won't return true if you have it enabled, and then it won't be like, oh, you have the skin, even though you haven't had the skin. So what this will do is, if we ask this, it should return true if we have the skin and it's enabled. Cinnamon was here. That's what we're doing right now, actually. So perfect timing. So this is exactly what this will do. So now what we'll do is we'll go into the if-then script here. And this thing is super old. Like, you can tell, like, some of the years here, it's like 2 years old almost. I would really love to fix all of this. Should I do it on the stream? Should I do it on the stream? Should I fix this on the stream? I feel like it won't be very, I don't know, would it be interesting for you guys? I really don't know. In the meantime though, like, the inconsistency here, why is it sometimes raw value, why is it sometimes external function, blah blah blah. Whatever. We're gonna call this skin artifact. Don't do it on the stream? Cool. So then what we're gonna do is in here, this is all super old code. Oh, I see, okay. So then right here we go. So then what we'll do is we'll go case input type dot skin artifact. We'll have it return. Sorry, that's my brother having a temper tantrum in the background. It is, hold on, let me just mute for a moment. Alright, we're back, sorry. Then if I go to artifact backend dot get skin state, here we go, and then I need to provide it with the variable name. Oh wait, no. The string value. So where is the value? Value type. How do I get the value type? You're gonna go for some time? Alright, see ya, bye! Okay, how does this work for a second? So if I change this to string, and this is where I would set it to. So I would set, for example, what did I name the collectible? Hold on, let me change screens for a second so I can look at it again. Okay, here we go. So, right back here, okay. So we would check. It'd be really nice if I could. What are you doing? Okay. Put it on here. So it'd be really nice if I could check. Is equal to. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so I'd put it in here, and then I would call this state, and it's if state is What? This is really confusing. So what does this value mean? Default if null. Should be true or false. State. Okay, so we would just give it the name right here. Okay. Then if discarded Helpy skin equals true, then false. Okay, cool. We'll keep it like this. Then what we'll do. Yeah, we're running into some issues already. So what this should do is, let me just go into here now, and then we'll get the variable name, which is right here. So perfect. We'll get the name. And then that should work. It should work in theory. So what we'll do to test it is I'll add a. I really don't like this UI. This UI is terrible. It's very, very old. But what we'll do is we'll add a temporary thing here. Like a cube. We'll throw right here. If it's true, then we'll set this to active. Like so. And it should also be true for this one, right? Perfect. Wait. No, it's not. Oh, we have to do it different for the item. That's annoying. So, if I do go grab it again. Characters, Helpy real estate. Okay, we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna go put it on the Helpy item so that we can see it, you know, in game. So we'll go Helpy body. We will paste this here, and then I'll add the cube as well. So if we see the cube in the game, or in this case the sphere in the game, then that means that it worked. So, just like so. And where did it go? Here we go. So then we'll set this to active. So if we see the sphere in the game, that means we have the skin enabled. And if we don't see the sphere, then we don't have the skin enabled. So when we play test this, we should see the sphere. That's the answer that we should get. We should see the sphere, and we should be good to go. Yeah, so I would love to add like Helpy actively on fire. I think that'd be really cool. Here we go. And I don't see the sphere.
Was close.
Yeah. Stop it, Helpy. Okay. Why is the sphere not there? Well, when does this run? Does run on start set to true? Will run on start. Okay. Let's have it do a little bit of debugging then. Debug.log gameObject.name did work. Okay. No, I'll add some more print statements. So debug.log, we'll check gameObject.name, just so we're seeing the right one, and then value plus compare value, just like so. We'll do it after that too. Okay, this should help us figure it out. So I know the stream is popping off. Usually we have a little less than this. Okay, so if I reload the game, then just will this work? Yeah. Oh wait. Can you hear the piano? I got it all set up. Okay, let's try this now. You can't hear the piano? What? Actually, wait, you can't? You can hear it? Oh. I'm getting conflicting evidence. Let me double check. The piano scared you? Okay, so type beta was just fine. Okay. Gotcha. So I don't see the sphere, which is, I mean, to be expected, but if you look in the chat, or in the chat here, in the logs here, you see Helpy's body was false. Okay, so it is saying that it's false, which is interesting. So the value that it's getting from get value this is very confusing. So get save value. Why is it setting the value? Why? Hold on. This is like really old code that I seriously need to just redo. Because this script, the if-then script, could be really, really powerful. But, yeah. So, let's do... In the meantime, while this loads, I'll do Oh, do you want set up, girl? I can do that. Let's see. No, that's for Helpy. Okay, let's do this. So, look in the logs. Okay, false? What do you mean false? What do you mean? I'm so confused. How is that returning false? Skin artifact, yes. Hold on a second, we gotta delve deeper. Debug.log in the depths, and then we'll check the discovered state, which the discovered state should be true because we have discovered that artifact. And then we're also gonna check what skin state is, which they should both be true. So I don't understand why it would be returning false. It's actually nice though that I'm working on it because the Schrobnauber thing for the Patreons who played it, the Schrobnauber and Desolate Fields had the same issue where it just wasn't working because of the script, and the script is not working. Let me see if I remember how to play the Sad Autumn Girl song. Is that what's playing right now? I don't want to like play it twice. Let me go to Venge. It sounds like this. Oh, you're gonna hear my voice. Pause that. So it's like. It's wrong. That's wrong. It's. No, I forgot how to play it. No! That's so upsetting. Hello, Fresco M. Welcome to the stream. That's so upsetting. Why did I forget how to play it? Okay, let's try this again. How did I forget how to play this song? I'm using Unity. Here we go, got it. Okay, it's. Let's see what's going on here. What? Why is it what? But I discovered it. What? Why is it saying I didn't discover? I did. I literally did. What in the world? Am I using the wrong save ID? Hold on, let me check something. Maybe I'm using the wrong one? No. What? Why? Huh, that makes no sense. Okay, well, we're gonna have to go into the depths for this one, like serious depths for this one. So if I go to the save manager, here we go. If I pop it over here and go to collectibles tab, discovered, red, Helpy skin. True. Discarded. That's exactly what I wrote in here. Discarded, red, Helpy skin. Oh. You know what? I think it's a problem with the script, like I said again. What name is it giving this value? Let's double check what name it's giving, because I think I might be giving it the wrong name. Let's check that. In the meantime, I will try to play another song. Let's see if you guys literally do you guys know, let me get this started. But I should probably turn off the background music so it's not like super overwhelming. Here we go. Do you guys know a little song like this? So yeah, that's Revenge story. It's a new song I'm working on. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay. In the depths. What? It's empty? What in the world? Unity. No, this is not even Unity's fault. This is my fault. Why did I design this script so badly like 4 years ago? What do you mean? It's not. What? Okay. Name. Value name. Why is it like that? I'm gonna have to completely redo this entire script. Not on the stream because, you know, I'm sure you guys will not be thrilled about that. But what? Why did I do it that way? Okay, let me try changing this. So let me add a new field to here. String variable name. That's probably why all my Schraub number stuff wasn't working, because it's super goofy. Why did I do it this way? I'm like a psychopath for that, to be honest. It's like, makes no sense. Input variables. I think that's what I'm gonna do after the stream, because honestly I would love to be able to get this working. Name. Let's try that. This should work. Okay. Here we go. This should work. Do you guys want to hear the chords for a new song that I'm writing with Ryan? Let me go catch up on the stream. Ah. You do? Okay, here it is. I don't have a name for it, so I can't give you a name, but it's like... Wait, sorry, I already messed it up. Sounds ready? It's like that. And then it goes into I'm getting distracted. Let's see, did that fix it? Hey, it worked! Look, it worked! Oh my gosh. Ah, exciting. Look. It worked. Ah, let me find the tab. Look, it worked! Hub's got a ball! Wee, Hub's got a ball! Let's go! We got a ball! Yes! He's like freaking out. Sorry, Helpsy. Look at if I throw him. He's got a ball! Let's go! Yay! He's like even bouncing. Oh, that's amazing. So then, I presume if I try to find... Let me try to find a vent to go out of real fast. I believe there's one up here. If I go up here to one of these vents, and I walk up to here, and I give myself a Helpsy. Put it down. He's got a cube. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Woo. Okay. He's got it. Perfect. So now what we can do? Now is where the fun begins. Like, now's where the magic happens. We got it working. Whew. I can get rid of all these print statements. I don't need them anymore. Perfect. I'm gonna have to completely change how that works, but yeah. So, now what we're gonna do is, instead of a ball, because a ball is not very interesting, to be honest, we are going to start changing up the properties. So, what I'm gonna do is... are you on the right screen? Which one are you on? You are on this one. Okay. So, Helpsy has a little thing here. Helpsy holding item. I believe that if I switch to, so we have Helpsy holding item. I believe that it also inherits from the same thing that this guy does too. Oh, they literally have the exact same one. Perfect. So in the Helpsy holding item, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, all the way at the bottom, we're gonna create a new, go public, void, set Helpy skin. And for now I'll just do a boolean, but eventually I'd like to like, you know, actually have proper like maybe different skins. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the renderer, which, where are you? Skinned mesh renderer, perfect. We're gonna go skinned mesh renderer dot material dot set float, and we're gonna go hue. So if it's on, if it is on, then we're gonna make this, what color do we make it in our shader here? Materials, character, Helpy red skin. Okay, so we made the hue this number. So we'll go here, we'll make it this number. Otherwise it's gonna be 0. And then same thing for our saturation. So let's just call it saturation. Saturation, like that. And then what number do we use? 0.09. Perfect. 0.09, just like that. So then I also am gonna add a flame effect. So public particle system, Helpy red skin flames, just like so. And then we will, if is on, then we will have it play, else then we will have it stop. Perfect. Then what we shall do is, let's get rid of this cube first because we don't actually want the cube. Alright, get rid of the cube, and then we'll go here, and then we will go to Helpy red flames. Okay, let's add it right now. So this should be under his armature just so that it follows. Actually, it'll be fine. So then we'll we'll find a particle effect. I think I have some already. We'll go here, particles, and then fire. Let's look for maybe this one. A little too harsh. Maybe this one. No, a little too harsh too. I need like a small fire. Small fire. That is an explosion. Tiny flame. A little bit less on the ground. Like if I could get like like how I do particles. You know what I mean? These are all so violent. Goodness. Well, that's cool. I want to use that eventually. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. So. Then we're... Okay. So we'll put this underneath his object, and then we're going to change the way that the shape is going to be a skinned mesh renderer, and then we're just going to obviously select Helpy, just like so. So then it'll render from Helpy's body, and let's just hide these two for now, because I don't need them. So we have the wildfire. These are obviously way too big, so let's shrink them down. Let's go maybe by 10. Here we go. But the offset is a little weird. Oh, right here. Perfect. We'll fix the rotation too, and then we'll fix the scale. Wonderful. It doesn't look the best right now, but I'm gonna make these even smaller, because I think the smaller would be better in this case. There we go, and we'll make these even smaller. Perfect. So Helpy will just kind of always be on fire. Well, why don't you use yeah, I actually really enjoy Unity's particle system. It's really good. Can I make these like orange, not yellow? Perfect, I can a little bit. Okay, so Helpy will be on fire, and then let's add the embers in. Where are they coming from? I think they're coming from here. Yeah, so let's go shape. Again, skin mesh renderer. We'll choose Helpy body. Ooh, a little frantic there. I don't want them to go that fast. Start speed 0. Maybe even 0 for both. I like how it's like swirling around, but that's not unfortunately what I want. So let me change the noise and maybe a little strengthful. Like honestly made it look worse. Why? Oh, because they were relying on their speed. Well, that's okay. We can go here and change to like this. Like that looks cool, but it's a little bit too much of the same. You know what I mean? It like doesn't look super natural. So let me change it to just like this. And is there really no, like... We should have -1 gravity. Ooh, not that strong. Not that strong either. You know what? That looks good enough. Will Helpsy acknowledge that he's on fire and red? Probably not, but if I have extra time when making 2.0, for sure I could do that. That'd be pretty simple to do. Let's tone down these particles though, because that's a little too much. Maybe like 25 would be better. Yeah. Let's add in fire. What does that look like? Oh, I thought I already did this. I guess we'll reduce it anyway. So then, we'll add it to his body like that. And again, change the scale. Ooh. We don't want to have to change every single one of these values. It's annoying. Times 0.1, just like that. Times 0.1, times 0.1, times 0.1, times 0.1. Okay, there we go. And then I will change the offset, change that, and that. There we go. Perfect! Hey, there we go. This is the fire Dorito Helpsy. This is when he is way too spicy to eat. Like, there's no way. This is gonna look so cool, actually. Okay, so then we'll grab this. And then we'll go into our Helpsy item. Because remember, we have 2 different Helpsy instances. If you're curious, the item one is used for your inventory, and then the other one is used when Helpsy's like in the scene. Like, for example, like on top of a bridge, I would use the Helpsy instance one, just because it's a lot nicer. So then we'll reset all of these, and then I have to reset all of the mesh renderers to use the new one instead. Here we go. Wonderful. Then we'll assign it to Helpsy's body. Oh, right. Oh, right. Okay. So then, what we'll do is we'll assign the fire to here. Then what I'm going to do is I actually really don't like the idea of having it on the body itself, because I thought I was going to do it a different way, but I actually did not end up doing it that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the main body like this, and then I'll have it call itself, and it'll say, see holding item, we will set Helpsy skin to true, and then let me copy and paste that, set it to false. Then I will copy just that whole thing, and actually, no, just copy this whole component, actually, that'll be a lot easier. Then I should just be able to go here, go here, go here, then go into here and paste the component. Perfect. Then we gotta set itself up. Oh no, wait. Okay, weird. I actually probably should I probably should be consistent with that then. It looks like I should go on the armature instead. Yeah, here we go. So then we will call itself, just like so. After holding item, set Helpsy skin. Copy this from true, paste it in here. It did not work for some reason. Whatever. Copy. There we go. And set that to false. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so this should work. This should work perfectly fine. So now what we'll do is test it in the game. Fingers crossed. Whew. Let's see how well this works. Let's switch over. I like play tense. Like drum roll. Let me go lower. Is it gonna work? It worked! Yes! Look at that, it worked! Ooh, look at he's on fire. Oh, and he's got a purple eye now. Hold on, let's see this in full glory. Lighting false. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like the Monster High dolls. They'll have like the variants and stuff. Oh, look at him. I think we could probably change the hue a little bit so it's not as red. Let me go to a darker area just so that we can see better. Where's a good dark area? There's like not a lot in Helpsy's map. Over here would be good. There we go. Let's make this a little bit more obvious. So where did I fly to? Where are we? We're down here. No, are we? No, we're not. It'd be really nice if I had a command to like teleport my player to the camera. Okay, here we go. So let me grab the Helpsy here. Where is it? Here we go. Let me change the hue. Let's see if we can find a hue that works really well. So Let me make it really obvious. Oh, so maybe it's not the hue, maybe it's the saturation. This one's good, right there. I like that because it has a red eye. Let's see how that looks with that lighting. Oh, this is obviously a terrible place to test it. Let me try. Look at how evil he looks. Oh, he looks like he would hurt someone. Let's go back to this room. Go in the light. Do you like that? I like that. I think that looks cool, really cool. Maybe I can adjust it a tiny bit. Is that better? Maybe like, oh, I have the background music turned off. I'm so sorry. Let me turn it. Oh no, it's the game view anyway. Be more crisp. Oh, like burnt. Look at that. Ooh, psychedelic Helpy. I don't think I can do that without changing the texture, and I don't really want to do that right now. It'd kind of be a lot of work. But how does it look from like the editor point of view? Oh yeah, it's like a purple. Let me change it to like a red. There we go. I think that looks cool. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, so let me update the color values respectively. We have 0.256, and then the hue, the saturation is what's really big. Just like so. Perfect. And then if we throw him, look at that. Look at him. All fired and stuff. So what we can actually do to further test this is let's go to a different room. So let's go to a spot where Helpy was designed to, so that we can like see its colors in full glory. So I'm thinking we go to what would be a really bright spot? Let's go to Forgotten Halls. That'll be a good one. Duplicate Helpy so we can make a chip company. We totally could. Okay, so here we are. Here we are in Forgotten Halls. Let me turn on the lighting. Turn off the lighting and then give Helpy. There we go. Look at him. That looks really cool. I really like that. Yeah, I do plan on making that Stompy. Look at how cool he looks. Isn't that neat? He doesn't have collision. But, so, that's cool, and that's wonderful and stuff. However, what if I miss the old Helpy? And I really want the purple skin back, because the purple skin is really iconic, you know what I mean? I can't, like, forget. Like, there's no way I can just, like, click forget or something like that. So, now, we're going to do the UI part of this. So, here's why I created the whole separate object at the very beginning. Yeah, we can also do that. Let's also do that in the stream, too. We'll make some flashlight color commands. In the meantime, though, let me do this real fast. So, I'm gonna go some candy. I'm gonna get some water, so I'm gonna put you back to the BRB screen. So I'll be right back. Surprise, I'm back. Yeah, of course you can ask me a question. What's on your mind? Okay, so now let's get into the UI part. So, what we need to do is, let's open the UI for the artifacts real fast. So we go prefabs, UI, and then artifact. Here we go. So for the Lucy plush right here, for this section, what I'm going to do is, so how does this work again? So we have the preview details panel. Okay, so we're going to add a new panel at the bottom, and this is going to be called the skins panel. So we're going to keep the background, we're going to keep the border, we're going to keep the title, the description, which is not this stuff. Okay, so actually we're going to get rid of the title. So let me add, yeah, I'm going to try to do the glow lantern, we'll see. The top should be 10 pixels. Let me get rid of this grid too. Okay, so we'll say this artifact is a skin. You can toggle its activeness below, like so. Let me make that a tiny bit smaller, like so. Then we'll get rid of the border. And then what we'll do is we will add a component for the drop down. So let's go here and we'll create drop or toggle holder, just like so. I have how do I phrase this? I don't know where you heard the last part. I haven't said anything about all the drama that happened since it happened. And I don't really have anything else to add. So if that makes sense, if that answers your question. Okay, so then we'll go here, we'll make this a horizontal layout group, like so. And then we will add in the description. Yeah, I don't think the live stream is the best place to, I don't really want to talk about that right now, if that's okay. So then we'll do label, and then we will do enable use this skin. And then what we're gonna need to do is, oh, you know what? It already comes with that. I'm just being delusional. So I go here, toggle. Okay, here we go. Just like so. Oh, I see. So I should honestly just put it as its own thing. Here we go. But then I really would like to make this a horizontal layout group, just so it automatically figures itself out. But I don't really want to stretch the width like that. Maybe we could just do it without. Just have it. It's fine to stretch the height. And then just have it middle center, like so. I don't know why that width decided to go negative, but why is it? I'm gonna go here, copy this text, and put it right here. Let me shut my door for a second. And then, sorry, I was talking away from the microphone. I won't be able to have a skin for ethics based on Foxy because, like, I don't own Foxy. So unfortunately I won't be able to do that. But, I heard your comments on Venge because, oh yeah, Dags made an awesome video about, just like, he like briefly covered Venge, and it is super cool. I really appreciated that video. Okay, so we'll say enable this skin, just like that. And then maybe I can make the label a bit bigger, and this toggle a bit bigger too. Just like so, and then I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna make this left aligned. But it still looks off. You know, it's not centered. So maybe I'll just do, instead of dealing with all this, I'll just kind of make it my own centered. So we'll have it here, and, well, I'm gonna do a layout element so that I can choose the height so that it all fits in perfect. And then I'll go here and enable this skin just like so. Wonderful. So then let me get rid of this padding, or at least change it a little bit. There we go. So just like that, and make sure that these are centered aligned. So that if we change, well, I can't change it right now, but if we were to change it, it should be fine. So then I need to make this a bit prettier because arguably it's a little bit gross. So let's go with UI sprite here. That, and then this background needs to be a round right corner. We'll set that to 3 maybe, 4. Yeah, it's a little big though, so we'll make it a little smaller. It also has inconsistent size, so that'll help. There we go. And then we'll make this the gray, like so. And then we'll make this the signature blue. So then I'm gonna make this a little bit stand out a little bit more, and make this a little bit bigger too. And set that to 0. Just like that. Let me do one more. There we go. Perfect. How does that look? Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you saying that. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Okay, maybe we can look into giving efforts an eye patch. How's that look? So then this is what it would look like on and then off. Just like so. Okay, it's a skin. Let me give a better description. Which means it changes the appearance of the game. Did I spell that right? Appearance. It'd be really nice if Unity had like a built-in spell checker. I did not spell that right. Thank you, Google. Okay. Appearance of the game. You can toggle its activeness below. Cool. And then I do want to have it be a little bit nicer on the bottom because it is a little squished. So I'm gonna put some padding on the bottom, like maybe 10. I think 10 is reasonable. Perfect. And then I'm gonna give it a bit of. I'm gonna decrease its spacing a tiny bit. There we go. Cool. So that's what it would look like if we had that skin, and then if we didn't, it would just go boop, and it would act as normal. Look at that. Look at that dynamic UI. Yeah. So Lucy has her pet Tarpatch, and so you will be able to interact with Tarpatch and see Tarpatch, and maybe Tarpatch will be in the future. Who knows? So just like so. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we got some new people on the server. Oh, thanks for joining, Neatly Wall and XGamer. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is okay, artifact list display. So this is the script that actually like controls the artifacts and stuff. So what we're gonna do is whenever we set selected right here, so this is the script that controls so this little function controls what's displayed right here on the side. So what we're gonna do is if the selected artifact is null, we should honestly just get rid of that panel completely. So let me get a reference to it. What are my referencing panels? I guess I'm not really referencing any. I guess we'll do it right here. Skin artifact. Artifact skin panel, just like so. It's a little bit out of order, but you know what? It's fine. I don't see it better. Okay. So what we're going to do is if the artifact is disabled, we are going to just hide the panel, just like game object set activated false. And then if it's enabled, we should still hide the panel. But if at the very bottom, we're going to add an if statement here. If selected artifact is skin artifact, or artifact skin. So if the artifact that we have right now is a skin artifact, then we're going to enable the box, and then that'll let us change the settings of the box. So then what we're going to do is we need a reference to, or we need to create a button. Not a thing here. We'll void set. Yeah, that'll be fine. Set. It's a little consistent with my capital letters. I need to fix all that, but set skin button active, bool active. And what this will do is this will, oh, you know what we need to do? We also need a reference to the toggle so that we can define it beforehand using the value that we already saved. So I'm gonna put it right here. Public toggle skin artifact skin toggle. Zach covered Venge. Who is Zach? I don't know them. Oh, it's Epic saying it's hammering time. Yes, I really love that line. It's just super goofy and it's really funny. I love that line. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this set value or dot value dot is on. It's a weird name. Is equal to artifact backend dot get skin state of artifact dot get save ID. Perfect. So then that'll automatically set it. So if we have the skin unlocked, it'll set it to true. If we don't have it unlocked, it'll set it to false. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to go and if selected artifact is not null and selected artifact is skin artifact or artifact skin, then what we're going to do is we're going to go artifacts backend dot set skin state of selected artifact dot get save ID, and then we're going to set it to whatever the toggle set it was set to. So then that will do the trick. So now what we need to do, let's go back into the UI. All right, bye, see you later. We need to go back into the UI and then we need to hook this button up to the toggle itself. Oh, okay, I got you. So when we go to the toggle, now what we're gonna do is whenever the toggle is pressed, we're gonna go into the display and we're going to have it set skin button active. Perfect. And then I need to go back here and I need to assign the skin button right here. Wonderful. Then what we can do from here is it works just fine. But then there's a slight problem. There's a slight problem. When we update the button, it won't update immediately because this our if function on these prefabs don't get updated every single time something gets updated. So what I'm gonna do is in here, which I really need. Let me just reformat this. It won't do a lot, but you know, ew, this is such gross code. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I worked with this. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little toggle here. Public bool rerun on should I do a list or a bunch of toggles? What would be better? I'm gonna do a bunch of toggles because that's a little bit more expandable in the future. So if I do public enum rerun sources, we're gonna have one called on pause menu change. That's not what it's called. Pause menu action. It's called on possible change. That's what it's called. So we're gonna go to the if then on possible change. So then we're gonna have a public list of rerun sources. Rerun sources, just like so, and then rerun on. You know what? No, we're not going to do this because it's just going to get complicated for no reason. We're just going to do it manually. Bool run on pause menu possible change false. Then what we're going to do is on enable. We're going to say if run on pause menu possible change, then we're going to go pause menu dot on, oh, wrong one, on possible change. We're going to add the update function to it. Then on disable, we are always going to remove it, even if we never, because I can imagine a bug where we somehow change this during runtime, which shouldn't be allowed, but let's say we do, then that could cause issues because it's not getting unloaded. Perfect. So now you're regenerating the brain cells that you lost. Yes, it's perfect. So now that should be perfect. So, although I don't think it'll work great because my, yeah. So, I gotta add one more thing first. Build, run on pause. Let me just literally paste in the name of the on possible change. Then run on. Perfect. Okay. So now, oh yeah, the scrapped Act 1 stuff. I definitely will. Yeah, that's a good idea. So now we should be golden. So let's update our Helpy instances. So if we go to items, Helpy, go in here. Now we have this new thing, run on possible change. We'll set that to true. We'll make sure that saves. Aggressively hitting the save key. And then we will go to, just double check and go to debug so it doesn't use my janky custom editor. Ha, see? Didn't work. I need to change that editor, it's nasty. Then we'll go to prefabs, character, Helpy, here. And run on possible change, true. Okay, wonderful. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get this thing tested. So let's open up the game, and then we should see our skin enabled, and then we should be able to turn it on and off and on and off and on and off. So let's see that in action. Whenever it's done. Oh, there we go. No, what? Ugh, I hate when it does that. Let's see, what else can I play? Oh. Okay, we're good. Let me switch to game view. There we go. So let's give ourselves the Helpy. Perfect. Beautiful. There he is. Let's turn off lighting real fast. And then watch as we broke it. Hold on a second. It's referencing null. That's not good. Oh, I am stupid. I assigned everything except for the panel that we needed to. Technical difficulties. Okay, let's bring this over here. And then, no, go out of here. UI. Artifacts UI. Okay, here we go. I forgot to assign this one right here. That's fine. It's not that hard. Just go like that. Okay, there we go. We're good. So, now it'll work for real. For real this time. Let's do this one. Okay. And wonderful. Okay, we're in. Let's turn off lighting. Give ourselves Helpy. Helpy is on fire. Perfect. And then I'll give myself 2 just to make sure it works. And then if we go to artifacts and we go here and we change. No, it's not working. What? Oh, I got an error. That might be why. No. What? Oh, I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. You know how we created that new script? I didn't actually assign it. So, one moment. Okay, so here we are in the artifact we just created right here. Let me switch screens. And I gotta go to debug. Then instead of artifact, I gotta choose artifact skin. There we go. Now it'll work. So now it's specifically the artifact skin type, which will fix it. Okay, so there we go. So then if I reload it again, 3rd time's the charm. Oh, mission abort, demo 1 is playing. Yeah, we're still streaming. Yep. We're going on 3 hours, almost done. I think I'll be done after 3 hours, but yeah. All right, ready? Let's go. Here we go, do our settings. Perfect, okay, so if I throw my Helpy on the ground, wonderful. And then if I grab my other Helpy. Hey, no, come back here, go right there. Okay, ready? Then I go here, artifacts. Yes, it worked. Okay, ready? Then I turn it off. Perfect. And look back. Yes! Look, it worked. It worked. Yes! Oh, that's awesome. Perfect. Perfect. I mean, it was a little weird, a little finicky. It It should do it immediately, to be honest. But if we enable it. Yes! Look at that! Look at them go! Let's go! And then we got little fire helpsies. We just added skins to Venge. Can you believe it? Who would have thought? You probably did not wake up this morning and be like, I'm gonna watch skins get added to Venge. Oh, there's an invisible wall here. Look, watch. Ready? It's preventing the helpsies from falling off. Interesting. Interesting. How fun. That was honestly pretty easy too. Adding another skin would be very, very, very easy. But, you know, we're not gonna bloat it. Look at them go. They're super happy. Look at them go. They're so happy. Okay, watch. You don't know a funny command? Yeah, I'll show you the transformation scene. So if you do bind A, then we're gonna go drop help C. What this will do is, if you look right here, we'll run drop help C every time A is down. Ready? Oh my gosh. We're stress testing the game. That's what we're doing. And then once, honestly, look, I'm still getting, like, how much frames per second am I getting? I'm getting 30 right now. Oh. And look at that, honestly. Not that bad at all. I realize I can't press A without spawning more. But the game is pretty well optimized to be able to handle, it's a Dorito bag. But, like, you can spam these like crazy. It is really, really, really cool. Look at that. And honestly, it's like not even, it's like lagging a little bit. It's got 15 frames per second, but it's like still doing pretty good considering it has like hundreds of thousands of helpsies. You know what I mean? And the interesting thing about this too is if we were in the helpsy map, should I show you it actually? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you. Okay, we're gonna go to the helpsy. First things first, I'm gonna change one thing. I really would like it if it's fine, it's whatever. Well, no, I'll do it. I'm gonna have the artifact list display when you change the toggle. It's gonna call the pause menu thing. So we're gonna go pause menu dot on possible change dot invoke, just so that the change happens while the screen is up and you don't actually see them changing. Just a little quality of life thing. We gotta check if it's not null first, because sometimes it is. Just like that. Okay. So now we're going to check the transformation scene. Let's do it. Oh no, I was gonna show you something else first. So, the way that Helpsy's designed in Helpsy's area is there can be more than one Helpsy. It's not ever gonna happen, but it's possible. So if I load into Helpsy right here, be prepared for like insane stuff, right? So let's do this. Okay. All right, Helpsy's on fire. If we go here, watch. Then if I go to Helpsy, turn the skin off. Perfect. It happens while the change. Okay, perfect. So let's unmute so we can hear it.
We almost died.
So if I run this command again, let's do like Y.
Almost died. Oh my gosh.
Wait a second.
Never again.
The Y was apparently not a valid one. Okay, here we go.
Okay, well, you can just keep going. It's
Ready?
safe
So
now.
if I spam a bunch of them now, and then if I open this door, they should all start talking. I think I have to go closer into it. Come on, trigger the dialogue.
Wow, you're actually across the enemies for
Look at them go!
change the name now. I really feel connected. Like, I really feel like I have a trust with you. Do you know what I mean?
Look at them go! La 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 la. Oh, that's so fun. I'm gonna put them all in the daycare. Oh no, actually, they're not gonna be dancing. Look at them dance. Look at them. They just. Oh, that one's having fun. Look at them go. That is adorable. That is so adorable. Watch. I'm gonna spam the garden with them. And I'm gonna trigger more dialogue. There we go. Oh, I need help. I need a Helpsy to trigger the dialogue. Come on, where's the dialogue? Oh, there it is. Not. Hey. Oh my gosh, ow. Okay, I won't run. That's so funny. That was loud. Okay, I think that's enough of that. So let's restart and I'll show you the transformation scene. So let's go. Do they all explode at the same time? Yes, they will all explode at the same time. Should I do that too? I'm gonna do that too. I'll do that too. Let's watch the transformation scene first, as promised.
Oh, that was close. Never again.
Yeah. Fly out, fly
We
out.
almost died. I almost died. What year is it again?
Where is it?
Turn
Up here.
around. Anyway, I think it would turn around. Actually, turn around.
Chill, Helpy.
turn around.
If you're wondering, it's doing this because I'm flying out of the map. Okay, yeah. Come on. Almost there. Here we go. We're getting into the hallway. It doesn't let me running here.
Do not run.
Where is this hallway?
Not
It's up here. Okay. Here we
You
go.
forget what I
Turn on the skin. Okay, I can do that. Let's go here to enable the skin. Perfect. Oh. No. Here we go. Okay, we're fine.
say.
All right, ready? So,
All right, just through this door.
here we go. Ready for this? Look at him. Amazing. All right. Are you all ready? Let's go.
Stupid creature, you are trapped in this cage, and now I will slowly crush you and eat all of your bone marrow.
Oh no! Oh, that's so cool. The fire trail. No. Ah. Oh yeah, his legs need to be red too. Good call. No. And then it freezes because we're in the editors. So in the real game, it kills you instantly, but in the editor, it's gonna freeze you. Okay, let's fix that. That's actually a really cool bug. We did not update Helpy's monster form, which I think I could do pretty easily. There should be a monster. There is not. Okay, well, we're gonna have to add one. So, skinned mesh monster renderer. Perfect. And then I know it might not be the best coding practice, but you know what, I'm fine with it. We're just gonna copy and paste these two and just use the new renderer because it's only two. I mean, it's like not the best, but you know, I don't really care. So then that'll fix that bug. Possible epilepsy warning. Yes. So the beginning of the game has an epilepsy warning, and then you can also turn off strobing lights if you really need to. I think the strobing lights help a lot with the game, but some people don't like them, so that's totally fair. I think I'm gonna actually add a slider where you can reduce the intensity of the strobing lights, which I think will be a lot more helpful than just on and off, you know? So now that we've got that, let's go back to the main scene. And we got 20 minutes left. So what else can we do in 20 minutes? We can add a bunch of flashlight options. He wants to do it in 4-1. Oh no, we're gonna make him explode first, and then we're gonna add a bunch of flashlight options. So I was gonna do, we have to go update our references. So we're gonna go items, into Helpy. Where is Helpy? Right here. Oh, I made it really big, that's why. So then the Helpy holding item, we're gonna grab the monster Helpy body. Here we go. Okay. Then we need to update the other one too. So characters, Helpy. Update this one too. So monster Helpy body needs to be right there. Perfect. And then another thing I noticed that was kind of a bug. when you spawned in, there was a little bit of flames. That was not intentional. That's just because they start, then immediately get turned off. So we can fix that very easily just by turning this off. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now, let's add the flashlight color command. So, if you don't know, let me load into the game to show you. The flashlight changes colors all the time. All the time. Oh, it changes colors throughout. This was in 1.0. It was one of the last minute ideas that I had. It changes colors as you go throughout the game. And one of the Patreons suggested that there should be a command to change the flashlight color. And I think that is a really cool idea. So it would be something like flashlight set color red. And then it would turn to red, right? So right now it's like at this orange color. Ooh, goodness. Right now it's just like this tan color, but we should be able to do that. So to do that, here's how you add new commands. I mean, you can't really do this because it's like, you know, not a part of the game. But what you do is on loaded or on start. I'm gonna do on start. We would do coaster console backend dot add command. Or I typically do get command, which would be flashlight, then add command, set color, and then we need to choose some of the colors. So, I could do all the colors manually, but that sounds horrible. So, luckily for me, I have this class that I've made called Color Plus, and if you go inside of it, it's just a ton of colors. And these are all colors that would work. So, it'd be really nice if I could get access to them, but I don't necessarily know how. So, I have to do some reflection. So let me do some quick research real fast. Oh, wrong tab. Sorry, you're looking at the wrong tab. Right here. Here's how you do it. You do get command, flashlight, set color. But then I need, right here, I have a list of all of these colors that I want to use, but I don't have access to them. So let me try something real fast. So C# get all fields in class of type. Hey, looks pretty simple. Cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, we'll have this figured out. So we're gonna go colors is equal to colors, color plus dot get, we'll choose one of them like red dot get type dot get fields, hey, there we go, dot select field, I spelled that wrong, field, okay, so then field dot get value of color plus dot red dot to list. So what this should do is this should give us a nice, wonderful list of all of our colors. So I think I can even cast this to color. Yeah. No, it'll give me an error. Can I fix it somehow? No, that did not fix it. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna have object colors. We're gonna have raw colors. Then what I want to do is I want to, how can I, what if I did something like this? Where if I return you, then, alright, so, this is spelled wrong, I need to fix that, rename symbol, field, so I think this should have the name, so if I do field dot name, yeah, okay, cool, so then I'm also going to go and create a list string color name, just like this, so then for every single one, what I'll do is if, no, so we're going to check if this is true, then field.getValue. What does this do? I'm very confused by this. You know what we'll just do? We'll just do color names dot add field dot name. Perfect. So then what I can do is I can quite literally just pass these color names into our set color command. So to array, just like so. And then we have args, just like so. And then what we're gonna do is if args.count is equal to 0, return new console error. You need to mention at least one color. A color. Just like so. So we're gonna have that. Perfect. And then we need to eventually return, so we're gonna go here and we'll just have return. Oh. Like. Okay. Jump scares have not been renamed yet. So then let's test this out. So if I open this in game, I should see the list of all the colors. Let's see if I did everything right. Let's find out together. Yeah, the jump scares will be remade soon. Maybe I'll do that later today. It should be fairly easy. I don't imagine it'll be that trippy or that difficult and tricky. Okay, so now if I do flashlight, set color, A. What does it mean, A? Huh? A? A is not a color. Where'd it get that from? What in the world? Oh, that's not what you're supposed to see. Oh, you can't even see it. The jump scares are nice. They're just kind of like a nice little cute thing. But they're not super necessary, you're right. Okay, let's try to fix that. So, colors. Let me do, poster console backend dot list of color names. Why was it just A? For now, there will only be a few skins. Probably not a lot, but there will be some. Why did that not work? Maybe I'll just do this. That was so bizarre. Let me try to log this just while I'm at it too. 51 for every shade. Perfect. Okay. Let's see if this worked. Well, gameplay gameplay has been almost completely changed. It's not just about graphics, which is nice. It's still A. What did I expect? RGBA. That's what it's for. Oh my gosh. What did I expect? Do you know why I did that? That makes a lot of sense actually. Cause look, we're asking for the fields of color.red, and color.red is a color which has RGBA. There we go. That is funny. That is really funny. Haha, you knew you got one on me. Ha ha ha. Okay, so how can I get the type of this? Type dot. How do I get the type of it? Do I just do type of? There we go. There we go. That should work. That was funny. Ooh, crazy stuff. Okay. So, Now we should see all the colors. Oh, RGBA does spell grab. Yeah, that's true. There already is a skeleton variant for Skelebons. It's very rare, but it is there. Okay, let's try this again. So flashlight, set color. Hey, look at all these colors we can choose from. Yellow. I mean, it doesn't do anything yet. We gotta do that, but look at that. Wonderful. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so now let's try to figure out how to actually set it to the color. So, I'm imagining what I just do. Let me switch the screen. So, I'm imagining what I do is I just go color is equal to type of color plus get field by name A, there we go, R0. Yep, okay. So we have field info is equal to that. So I don't know, will this ever return null or is this a struct? It's a class, okay. So what we're gonna say is if info is equal to null, then we're going to return new error. R0 is valid color. Oh, fun face. Okay, then let's see what's in here. Info dot attributes field type. We'll also check here. Yeah, I assume we have to check here. So if info.field type is not equal to type of color, then we will throw an error for that, being like return new console. This should be impossible though. I have no idea what info.name is, but it's not a color. Perfect. And then, oh, someone just screamed. Value, yeah, here we go, get value. Okay, cool. So then now we're actually gonna get color. Color is equal to info.getValue. What? What is that? How do I get the value of it? You know what? We're gonna have good old friend Copilot help us out with this one. Oh, right, yeah, that's what I was gonna do actually, guys. I was thinking that, but I just like I just didn't want to fool you guys into like thinking that I was not good at coding. RGB should be an Easter egg. Ooh, low key. Okay, so color, boom. This should work. And then what we're gonna do is set flashlight. There should be a static method in here for it. Set color, yep. Set color to color. Perfect, done. This should work. All right, let's check it out. I'm very surprised by how consistently, if you choose green, it says green is not a creative color. I love that idea. Maybe we can do that. I'm surprised by how consistently this live stream has been holding up viewer-wise. That's awesome. Everyone, actually, I have an idea. While we wait for this to load, let me check out some live stream stats. So, let us see. So we have 63 likes right now. Everyone go like the video right now. Let's see if we can get it to, there's 40 people here. Let's see if we can get it to 80 likes. Let's see if we can do it. And if we can get it to 80 likes, then I will show you a gameplay snippet of some kind. How does that sound? Do it. Let's go. Okay, so now we're in the game. Let's try it out. So if I do flashlight, set color, red. It's going red. It's going red. Yes, it worked. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, perfect, perfect. Let's see. What other colors are there? Let's try wheat. Okay. Okay, wheat. Hey, that looks like wheat to me. Can we try white? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can I try blue? Look at it go! Oh, that's so cool. So, this is gonna be great for modding support. So I'm imagining that you could like make your own functions. Like, okay, modding support will be very similar to like, what's it called? It'll be very similar to data packs for Minecraft. So it'll be like little function files that you run, and then they run commands and stuff. Oh, scary noise. So let me try to change it to a prettier like cyan. And it would be really, really cool. So then you can like override bosses, and so then you can now choose your own flashlight color. So you can make a script that disables the flashlight color. You can always like every frame, or not every frame because that'd be laggy, like every 5 seconds, it just always changes it back to white. And then that would be your mod. And that'd be really, really, really easy to do. All right, see ya. Have fun. Like here, let me even show you how that would look. So if we did that in code, right here is how it would look. So let's say that we were doing a mod, right? So we would have our first file called like loader.function like this, and then we would do update. Let me zoom in so you can see me. So this is how it would work. So it would be like, I actually gave a great example in the Patreon channel a bit ago. Let me try to find it. Yeah, it's over here. Okay, so it would be, so you would do, so this would be the name of the function, right? Loader.function. And then what you would do, hi Ryan, you would do scene, update, add, new, remove flashlight color dot function, like that, right? And then in the new file called remove flashlight color dot function, you would do, you would now do flashlight set color white. Boom. And this would be your mod. That would be your entire mod. So what this does is this function would be the one that gets loaded by the game, and then it would add itself to the update function of the game. So every time the frame updates, it would call this function right here, which would set the color to white. Easy. You just created your own mod that removed the flashlight color. So every single every single scene has the white flashlight. Something like that. And you could even do like red or wheat, anything like that. Isn't that super cool? And the way that it's designed is super, super, super easily. So it's very easy to manage, and it's very easy to run and stuff, which is, always a nice thing. So that's like the modding support. That's what 2.0 will get. It's not exactly the most complex thing, but hey, it's something. And then it's super easy for you to grasp into and get started with. So I want to add a few more commands to the flashlight, just some nice ones. So one other nice one that I think would be is a coaster console dot get command flashlight dot add command set RGB. So then what you would do is a range one would be nice. I don't know if I can change that at the moment, but that would be really cool. So set RGB would let you specifically choose your own colors. So what we'll do is we'll say if argument count is less than 3, because you need 3, red, green, and blue, you need to mention 3 arguments, red, green, red, RGB. And then we gotta get rid of this part because this part isn't relevant anymore. Like so. And then what it would do is int r is equal to 0, int g is equal to 0, int b is equal to 0. Then what we do is if int dot try parse of r0 of r out r is equal to actually, you know what? I just learned something. I don't even need to do that. Out int r. There we go. So if we failed, then we'll return an error. So we will say throw an error right here and say arg0 is not a valid integer for red. Just like so. And then we'll do that. And then after that, we'll clamp it. So R is equal to mathf dot clamp between R0 and 255. So it can't go between 0 and 255. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we'll do the same thing for blue, for green, for argument 1, for RGB, yeah. So then we'll clamp green, make sure that green is in between the ranges too. And this one's nice because if you really, really, really want to change the color, you can specifically change it to whatever you want. Which, hey, will be cool. And you know what? You can even make an animated color because you can do variables and you can change the variables every frame. So using this command, you could, make it like a strobe light. An artifact to change the color. There won't be an artifact to change the color because the color changes by itself as you go throughout the scenes. They're all predefined. But there'll be a skin for the flashlight maybe. What about a random command that changes it to a random one? Or time? I could do a random one for sure. So RGB, and then if those are all valid, if those all pass, then we'll do set color is equal to new color RGB. There we go. And then we'll return okay. So that'll work. And then I also want to do another command. Coaster console backend.get command flashlight.add command set flickering amount. So if you don't know, the flashlight will flicker, and so you can do that. You can change the amount of flickering. So I'm thinking we have. I don't have a way to do numbers yet, but it's fine. So we do here, and then we would check again if the args are lit. You need to mention a flickering range, typically between 0 and 1. So let's get rid of all of this. So the way that the flickering works is I use this sometimes to make scenes a little bit more exciting. Is it sets the flashlight will strobe and it'll set that. So again, same thing. We'll do if float.tryParse of arg0 out float amount. Then we'll return an error for that, just like so. It's not a valid integer. It's not a valid float for this. And then we can't have it be negative, so we'll have amount is equal to mathf.min, the biggest number between 0 and amount. So that'll type it between 0 and that amount. Then we'll set set flicker. What is it called? I don't have a function for it. I guess I just call set flicker. Oh, I see. It's done. It's done. Okay, it's done in the glow wrapper. Why? Why is it done here? I don't know why it's done here. Whatever. We're just gonna do it manually, I guess. Flicker intensity is equal to amount, and we'll return okay. So, with this all working, let's see what we can do now. Let's go to the other scene. And then this will be the last thing we do, and then, oh wait, we gotta check the likes, let's see. All right, we'll do that after. All right, ready, let's go. So. 72 likes, almost there. Welcome, welcome. We have 8 likes, eight left, and then we'll be able to get a gameplay snippet. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay, so now we should be able to do flashlight, set RGB. Let's try 255, 255, 255. Ooh, that's very bright. I forgot to round it. Hold on a second. It's supposed to be, I have to divide them. So I have to go here to 255. 255, there we go. But you can make it any brightness you want, so you can make it You can make it very, very bright if you really, for some reason, you really, really want to. Let's see. Almost there, almost running. Oh, I think that's the wrong one. Was it? Yeah. Oh, you're seeing my behind the scenes stuff. Ah. Okay. Let's see. So, ready? Let's try it again. This should go white. Perfect. Now let's go red. Or let's go like a yellow. Perfect. 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 Now, let's do set flickering amount. Great. So let's try 1. Ooh, that's pretty intense. What if I tried 100? Watch out if you have epilepsy. I'm so sorry. Let's set it back to 0 to 1. There we go. Let's try 0.1. Okay, that's respectable. So let's say I was making a mod and I really wanted to have like let's say my mod was like, oh, you know what'd be really cool? Is if someone made like a mod where you could, you turned the real world into the flipped world. So here's how you would do it. Let me show you an example. So, you would go to the flipped world or to the real world. I mean, you won't be able to get everything. You won't be able to get like the textures and stuff, but you could like mimic the flipped world in a decent way. So, you could. 81, let's go. Okay, what do you guys want to see a snippet of? Yep, I will have a Steam Workshop set up 100%. All right, so. Okay, so here we are in the real world, right? Our boring flashlight. So what you would do is you go give glow flashlight. There we go. And something interesting. Look at how pathetic these flashlight differences are. So we got like this one, and then we got this one. It's crazy. So let's say I wanted to make like an orange flashlight. You would first of all give yourself a glow flashlight. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, we got 2 glow flashlights. I'll give one to this Lucy statue over here. Here you go, girl. She'll enjoy that over there. Okay, so then what you would do is you would go flashlight, set our, let's do set color. We're gonna go for like, let's go for purple. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Hey, that's like a good purple dim. And then let's say I want it to be scary, then I would set the flicker to like 0.1. Boom, look at that. Then we got the glow flashlight working in Act 1 Real 0.0. Act 1 Real World. I know, and this is only gonna get better from here too. It's actually really unstable. Please visit the AES system to control the issue. There's a lot of fun commands in here. Okay, how about this? I have an idea of what I can show you. Flip theater? I can't give you the flip theater. I'm sorry about that. No flip theater. I'll show you this fun thing. It won't count as your gameplay thing, but watch. So if you're ever stuck in the real world and you don't know how to get across this gap, what you can do is, if you do help to list commands, there's this command, save me debug item shrine robot. Are you ready?
Hello, I am Debug Item Shrine Robot. Ethan has not finished this part of the game. Sad, I guess you should just leave the game and give up. Ha ha, ha 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 ha. I am joking, of course. I have come prepared with a super awesome exciting solution to this dilemma. So much so that it will make you wanna buy the $10 tier on Patreon, wink wink. You should, wink wink. Now, wink wink. Okay, guess you hate me. Very rude if you ask me, as I have come prepared to solve your dilemma. Oh well. Humans, move out of the way, fatty. Let a true gamer, like myself, solve this. Done. Perhaps you will be more grateful now. Perhaps you could be so kind as to support the Patreon. No, not Ethan's Patreon. My Patreon. That's right, my Patreon is better. I am making my own game. It is called Debug Venge. It is completely original and not at all stolen. And the best part, Act 2 of my game will actually come out. Unlike someone we all know. So support me if you want to explore around a debug abandoned studio and fight debug bosses. I must go now, bye loser.
And then you get debug poop. And there we go, we solved the puzzle. So, for context, this was the first ending that I made, for the game, just to test it, and so I added this for the Patreon demo. And so this is one of the secret, artifacts, the debug poop, and that's how you get it. You use that command, and then you get this nice little debug poop. But yeah, hopefully you found that enjoyable. Let's do a gameplay snippet. Okay, so you guys want the elevator? Should I do the elevator? It has spoilers. How about I do let me try to think of a good idea. We should do a poll. Let's do a poll. So let me set up a poll real fast. So the options are, we got, oh, I have to close this poll first. We can do elevator, spoilers. A lot has happened, King Fat Bear. We finished Pez, we added a Helpy skin, and then we added a lot of commands. So we can do elevator, we can do skeletons, we can do ethics, or we can do what should we do? So many options. Okay, one more suggestion in the comments. Alt break room number 1. Sure, we could do that one. We'll do spare cartoonist. Okay, there you go. Everyone vote. Everyone vote. Let's see. Those are your options. Let's see, which one's winning? Oh, it's a tie between elevator and spare cartoonist. I'm surprised by that, actually. Sparing cartoonist really isn't that exciting, honestly. If I had to choose, I would probably choose ethics. I'd probably choose ethics. I could show you ethics' death if you guys want to see that. Which is a bit of spoilers, but like not really. You guys, I'm assuming you guys have all seen, the what's it called? What is it called? I assume you've all seen Act 1. So I would personally choose ethics' death. I think that's the coolest one. But we can do the elevator. The vote will end in like 2 minutes. I'll give you guys more time to vote. We're just doing a vote on what to do for the finale of the stream. In the meantime, I will put music. I'll show you the credits song. Do you guys want to hear the credits song? It's really good. I really like it. And then after the song is over, then we'll do the vote. Trojan horse? Yes! trying to do it at the same time as I'm, hold on. We're looking for, it's called not Ghost Choir anymore, version 2. Okay, here it is. Are you guys ready for this? This song is so cool. Ready? Okay, everyone get ready. Everyone get ready. Let me turn off the background music. Ready? Here is the credit song. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I messed it up. I'm so sorry. This instrument is wrong. Hold on. Sorry, technical difficulties. It's meant to be this one right here. This one right here. I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. Ready? It goes so hard. I love it a lot. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. But I really love this instrument right here. But isn't that so good? I love that song so much. Wait a second. How do you play it? Anyway, yeah. What's this stuff down here? Oh, this is like live recorded synths. These are like, oh yeah, these are live synths. They sound so pretty. I forgot I made these. And then look right here. How fun is that? Okay. Anyway, let's look how it's supposed. Oh, it looks like the elevator one. Dang. Final results. Elevator one. Awesome. Cool. I was hoping the break room wouldn't win because I don't want that. Let's show you the elevator. Let's do it. So I'm just gonna load right into the elevator scene because I don't want to give you spoilers. So you're not gonna see the full elevator ride, but just the crash itself because the full elevator ride has huge spoilers. So we will just see that. So here we go. And I shall switch over. I guess I can unmute half a bob. There you go. Blast it in your ear. There you go. Sorry. Intrusive thought. Alright. I can't show everything. Oh, that would have been really cool. I like that idea of having it Netflix right. Okay, in the meantime, let's check out. I'm curious about the stats. Are we? I think we're close to. Oh, we need one more subscriber to get to 7,260. Do you guys think you could do it? Pull it off? Let's see, we just need one more. I don't know. Okay, ready? Let's enjoy this thing. So, here we go. You're also gonna see Lucy, work in progress though, so it'll be fine. Ready? Here we go. Oh no, it's broken. Yes! This animation isn't fully done yet, but it's pretty close. Yeah, the Lucy voice is old still. You can see the new lines up there.
It's the same one too. Oh. Hi. My name is Lucy.
And there we go. So that's the work in progress right now. The elevator music is basically done. I really like how it sounds. But there's a little bit of noise in there that I want to get rid of. I obviously the Lucy cutscene is a work in progress. I haven't finished the lip sync. The dialogue is still old. And I need to get the lip sync done. I already said that. And then I need to improve the visuals a tiny bit. The elevator music, make it more dynamic. How so? But yeah, that's the elevator. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I really like the elevator. I think it's really intense and I think it does a good job. I am curious why there's something in the elevator that is not a part of it. And I'm very curious as to why. Because it should be. Weird. How peculiar. Huh. I'm gonna have to test that later. Something broke and it's not showing the right thing. Yeah, so Clearwater's getting the new lines. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I like it a lot. I think the finale, like the da da, that was really hard to do. I am not good at orchestra stuff, but that was completely by me. It's so crazy. It's all by me. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think that's where I'm gonna leave the live stream off. We hit the subscriber goal, by the way. Thank you to, I forgot your name. Whoever it was that subscribed. Thank you to whoever did that. And then I think we are all good to go. So, oh, we got 2 new subscribers. Awesome. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, I am very glad. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. And have an amazing time. All right, see ya. Bye.